Welcome to Wednesday.
Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. is rocking. We are blazing. Akoma Radio. Akoma Radio. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Welcome to Wednesday. Welcome to Wednesday.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya. Akoma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Akoma Radio 97.1.
97.1. Hey. Blazing.
Welcome to Wednesday.
Akuma Radio. Radio Man Kenya, Akuma Radio, 97.1.
To do the listening this morning. So great to be alive. So good to draw closer to Jehovah. So good to mention his name, bless him, thank him, honor him, and glorify his holy name. So good to sing a good song and a new song to our Maker, professing his greatness and supremacy, and saying, Abba Father, we thank you so much. We honor you, we bless you. We thank you, Lord, for what you have done. We thank you for what you are doing. And we thank you for what you are about to do with our lives. And so therefore we boldly enter into your court with our thanksgiving this morning. And we say, Lord, we thank you. We honor you. We bless you. It is a Wednesday, the last day of the first month in 2024, in the year of our Lord. The Lord God has been so faithful and gracious to us. Ever faithful, ever sure. 22 minutes after 7 here, and this is Okumai Radio 97.1. Both between this time till 10 a.m., it is my time to be with you on the show Okumai Kasa. Okumai Bekasa Nanope. Nanope, so you have to tune your men. But in that quiet Wukia day, said the Wukia de Bia Giant. Ya betcha ben ye ready and Yankupong. Ya banker say, ye hintabia. You did that's why you know the idea, you know. Ah! And a pay a travelers are bonus about some Dionumians. Now some pay more K Brown, the official KB, the original KB. I did some way channel home a good year back to us one my age. And which you know before I've been Johnny Yako in him. Yako Kokrokoda, what you have been Johnny soon in him. Nan dan so ye swatch ra no ne Awurade akasa bo Awurade mpaye. Ada boy ma min cha na nanom atra nkonwa. Nana kwesi. Akufo se ade yo na mi chia o. Ana efua obuo. Mame, ana pe mpo mu te sei. Abata pa Awurade nshira o. Nanom atra nkonwa nyina. And come, couldn't show a bomb ye crapimai. And on the matter of Konya, and a baby church you'll be I buy Banu D4, I buy penny 4, Ejumaya 4, Aditon 4, Esuku 4, young crowd growing now, I drove a 4. Why would Timmy come baby a war? Baby, I would you know, baby, I would shabia. And I pray come and say, yes, we are that was you. And I pray me in pipe boys, ready better than much now. No radio shroud, no radio Wakuma Swadiama, no radio Kaiwo, no radio home about. And until I pray for Obina Kachiro, Bizo, being Kachiro, Biza Salamuma. A branasso. I don't bet Doku Rabba. Koyoda, Konati say. Koyomi Chaudiana Michia Bongo. Sami Yoma. Equator. Doku Ranka Sadia Busia Fonina. Ebru Fonina, the pay churchiamo. You cook for your churchiamo. A pradi for your churchiamo. The woo for your churchiamo. A do come your churchiamo. Yes, I say what Busmasi. It's your Busmasi for you now. I don't bet you are Busmasi for you now. 224 Mampon 4 Manfe. Ah, Mumbo Bonkroni di Chramia. Mami come here, medium latte. Latte for a churchiamo nana pay. Amana come for a churchiamo. Also, Ketu as we guarre chiamo. And in crowd would meant to Yambu body in a pay chiamo. When you Muamudium, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Ekazan Nana Bay. I wish I made the catch request here, Pia Precunia Metiasi. And a Piazza Cassian Command and now a day, Papi. I said, I can see and command and now a court here at Jemai. I said, I can see and call my Bella B, Mrs. Ajimfna. I said, I can see and call my DJ Ziggy B, DJ Donzi. Of course, Odamia, McFarlane, KB, not forgetting LA. Of course, the entire crew, we say good morning. We are poised to work and we are ready serving you. 27 after 7. And I pay your bedding come on. And some will hire Besha Bebo Brosona. And they Besha Bola Huns and some Kakra. Ade ye be kwalata ana ye be ma kwan akwanya na ye ne latefo adi nkomo na ye ne manguasefo adi nkomo na ye ne adosfo adi nkomo ana pe ye be kwa round Bora wakra ebedi nkomo ewe brew ebedi nkomo ewe dewu ebedi nkomo we ukuga ebedi nkomo ewe prade ebedi nkomo ewe dukrom anape nkomo I am in love with this song. Anti anape nkraba bubo so nyina okuya pimanya nunie wakuma radio nie 97.1 sunie anape mu amusha mu bola sade esitie wo krom ho no mu a na mafra na makabiribi a kire ye bedi a kire tu ho anamo esan se ye wurade wo se ade yonti ye se ayehyo aniti anape ye be ya ne sa o de hwe mpotem wo hwe krom ho no bola ne te sei anape come on Anabe, I am so glad to be alive this morning. Everything come on. I mean, India, Obisi and Kwasukra, Wambiambia Bebre. And Robbie Kachina, me say, Bola Biwalate, at the Sapi Pono. And I'm saying, Lele. Oh, yeah, sure. I say, Kachre, my name is Bola, and ye two say, and 2 years. Obia Kacham say, Bola Bigugum, Kron Krobinia, Bronu Biswa. Any nyai Ajana pe yan sabrani ya be call ni akwa kofa sports se kebi ya ni sawia ye be kwa urade anim ye kwa urade anim wi amema wakwanya ye be hwe ye bola efi dukura manfo efi ewura ye be hwe ye be ni hu nkomo ye be ka ho asem emfa usan kafiri ni mane na ha ayo Command Radio 97.1 Kechre kwesi apia prekomine mabuafo ya ba say ye besom. Everybody get ready. Let's dance now. Kebi, good morning. Kebi, good morning.
Kechi, good morning.
Not to say.
Nyamiado me hoye na onso e.
Right, that's which space way.
Me pa join.
I didn't ya.
Because e super.
Space ni super.
Anope am feel it down, it me page me moral. It boost me immoral confidence.
Space way share wa bibi an shisem boost your moral confidence.
Exactly, Kechi.
I probably have moral and the petrol from no she jam my way.
Moral me morning motivation wo hoda da.
Oh, morning motivation na dey.
Ziggy yenkwe fatu so ma me na afi me kenka nchire etiefo na afi no. Ye ntumi enfa nko ni.
Okay, so dia mazigi so fatu so. Masa be here na me hwe bi na me hwe adekodi a ono anano pay esukitu a esu egwari kre brown. Wodi ato wonom say yenhwe anake brown so wo din de bi na ke brown no so da no ye yira me ye na me say na within the dead say na wo wakwa kebrawe
say maybe a din bi o ya da kemudin he say no say out of the ribs of a man no a woman was created you know any motivation and me nyina say a ma monfe empade you know yes know how to treat ladies well you know wo hwe abayo kama we ya utumo say yes be makwa oda ya the boss our bawe no ne na rest be ye do 9 and yet me ye
o motivation na no ne ade we
me pacho Kechi
yeah
out of the ribs of a man a woman was created mama mia
anti motivation ni
hallelujah mama mia yes you know be makro no ne rest be do 9 titem ya no sciatica o ya repa
sciatica okay, brapa.
Ziggy, why in Facebook phone so yeah, the most similar to my be primo.
Dokuraba, Kojoda, Kosi, good morning. We are listening to you live inside Nyamea Bassa Kinky Help. Congratulations to Honorable Daniel Kenneth, parliamentary candidate elect for Okre. Also here, I say good morning, K Brown. You're looking good in your glasses this morning.
Thank
Today is Boom Boom Wednesday. I like your motivation. Dr. Rabba, motivation way open.
Thank you, Dr. Rabba. Oh, you're heavy. Oh, you're heavy, papa. Minyo who location in there, Dr. Dear. You know, yeah, the young couple wants to say, I know pay to my motivation be saying any part to me at the corner dada ejumaso, as I say, and easy.
Okay, now I think so we hear deliverance.
And me here deliverance sketchy.
Where your motive? Or your Cote d'Ivoire niana?
Oh, ye Cote d'Ivoire ni. Tama Cote d'Ivoire ko bon match no oko supporting na mama mia. Odu honum no. Don't worry. Ochina Friday. Me the time odu stadium ho no be hu amanfo ani. Yeah. So abawa we.
Omo hu ana omo ani age.
Oh yes. Say a motivation o. Remember bro we wiasim ha o.
Where your motivation?
Oba bet na sia na oba ma bia be ware no hwe wo betin fifiri saa akwati sika nya de akotua bright price enye easy why kechire motivation be say no anopa no need me boost your confidence and so wo adwum kra na wo sresre
Nti ade to me boost your confidence na ya bibi say
enye say bibi say but Mark Williams bravo say ha good morning good people of Okuman o say say good people of make a
because of ade out there too
of course catch of course
Mark Williams bravo no ade too
aye people need motivation like this catch
Mark Williams, bravo, where are your motivation?
Yes, motivation. Catch,
don't say your motivation. Where are your motivation?
Oh,
don't see a motivation.
Motivation.
Don't see them so because say motivation. Don't see akano. Sabe pepe na sikin so beka. Say where your motivation?
Catch, here bibi say woman anymore because.
Ayaka. Ziggy see where your motivation?
Yes.
Now where this ka good nipa bottom? Where the nipa kwa nka dwem?
O sorry na otiwe hu
a. Where ma wo be ewrade?
Oh, otiwe hu a ewrade ben biem na opa ben no ka chire.
O jare. O jare a.
Nyankopon e de heaven e de ama wo eta. O de heaven ye den ka chire.
E di motivation ni.
Oh. Wo we na word mum ni ncha kakra yo okay. Yeah.
O say Ankrofo pe?
Yes.
Because Ankrofo bebre ehwe.
Omoba. Ketri o start me hwe yo na etu.
K Brown.
O start me hwe yo na etu.
K Brown.
Morning motivation
by. Williams say K Brown is a problem himself. K Brown what is a problem?
Me
problem. Munko Facebook live. Your Facebook page wana munko hwe. Your Okuman radio.
Yeah.
Okuman radio.
Yeah.
Matches wa bush massive for hwe pa.
Omo hwe.
Eni manfefo.
Yeah.
And you say Kropon Ukugwa na ebiru for nso hwe.
Yeah.
Hey!
Enye easy.
So this is your motivation.
Yes. Boom boom na nkasa amanfo ani je ho. What I say? Etuo de ni de but ni tua na ya. But unya bibi say na utumi say Charlie hey.
Na who feel say unya bibi say that is all.
Na do na that's all. Dembim keche. Obra
we sure say
obra ye brain nyina we ntia. Obra ye brain nyina say mentia eche ko ware na wo Bible class yan won multiply. Ma David ne Solomon mo fire no. Nye easy o. Me be yi bi kire wa ha. Mun say yes.
Oh bi na wo ho ntu ho bi.
David ne ire Isabel no ye heavy. Solomon ne ire Jezebel no so no ye heavy. O hwe to egugu o machi a enye easy.
O say Solomon ko are hwan a?
Jezebel. Ana wa Jezebel.
Hey.
Yes.
O say David ko are hwan a?
Jezebel.
Claudia uguni peni mu aso. Ma Sunday school so wan ko bi.
My Bible ni different from modern me kan.
Sunday school so wan ko bi.
Okay, chire.
O Bible ne me Bible ye. And e wo de na ye Bible.
Me de na ye Bible.
Ana David ko ware Jezebel.
Ai. Sana me de na ka chem. Na o de na mo bodin, so ma bodin na mo boy. na David yerim bebre 1,000 ahe omu nyina na onim ka kire nyomu nyina na onim
David anware
on the 99th wife no every Jezebel
it is never recorded anywhere say Bible ne say Solomon
Solomon dia na making
Masa
na 99th wife na every Jezebel meboa so onim
ya
chiro Bible mu
na
ya chiro
Bible no ya
me Bible ya chiro
Bible why na compile you have maybe you have a book not a Bible
Bible
because the 66 books you know
Bible
there was a meeting and omushia and a bishops you know ag2 mo
okay
you see we have what we call the
canon and amount for our translate and the
apocrypha
okay
so maybe we dey know apocrypha books in him Tobias Ezra's we have books like that
by Bible
it is not accepted as a canon.
The Bible according to King James, the Bible according to NIV ni adin na omu nyina wo ni na ye nipa translate
like the Bible according to King James. We have versions, King James version.
King James version. Okay.
What you say?
This is Kiban version. Oh, don't see for money. Hey, Ziggy, motivation way.
Yeah, motivation. That's why I wish it.
You free so. My window so. And so. Hey, well, hey, we bouncing cast to we would unquala, here say unquala only now we now den qualana park. That be bouncing cast on a casa of fee. Manqualani will was so. Omu heavy.
K Brown, what is so big as a beautiful ashes there?
Beautiful ashes. And no family. Beautiful ashes saying.
And found
beautiful ashes saying.
Wait, a beer way I can taste you. Ebia obedo empempenso bi no wawo ba ko mienu miensa no fo ne kura tiegu we onam we unim yare kura betimi abo no ma sa atun ya hu a weni ajeaje atun no enka ba ko hwe
na fo
K Brown Grace Gift Clinic e wo Kumasi say woni masem esi
oh yes ma me no me nim ne papa
me nim no because na me ye PR ema edwuma bi na owo edwuma nim enti me nim no say me nim no very close
ma me no what pa ana we
nice lady na ensem na ko ebebre obi e ka ne de me pa kire say ahofe oho sofu Billy Graham Ekasembi.
Okay.
Or say a young Quasiasem, and in some who say, who we are now benye bribia. Now, who offend now was Sikawa dying. We are singing our when your fame. Now, heaven will be amponimo.
Heaven.
It is of no importance.
Okay.
It's of no use.
So for being a cancer.
Or the Billy Graham,
wedding fear saying.
Billy Graham.
When you pound. Catch it no.
Ebusuafo yanko
Dabi oti. Te catch
mintie den.
Catch it si say no utumi fo no. Won say utumi fo. Catch it won fear saying. What is say me no? Wodi a twen na me wie me de ansa na wodi afuto na be catch it. Say me do to say wona me guso ye de na watumi fo say. Oh, we say ni de.
Vanity upon vanity. What we say Solomon now o catch me no. Someone can say, "Ni na ye jinjide." You can't jinjide out here. Say things that are of no value, that are of no importance. No man who here.
Nana
compare me. Omehe don't find your day.
Me keje me de boom boom basa na utumi for me mpe mintie.
Ade ejina we. Na wo betimi ni nipa bi say at na ase.
We. I didn't tell me to me enter ase.
Mo bra na mo be yi sankofo na mo ye ni free.
I didn't tell me to me Nana Kwame Perry.
Lotu for no, mo yin free.
7:45.
Okay. I 7:45.
But mama mia. I fin the pure. Won.
We say normal.
I didn't normal. Okay. I didn't normal.
Yeah, who's here? Kwame.
And
and to say we a real picture.
Me see. Yeah. Tenase. Nana tenase mami.
Me nim say one who be to say Jocelyn Dumas.
Yeah.
Physical. Obi to say
me who Jocelyn.
Haja for real.
Haja for real. And I know the and even Musha Budon.
Budon. Yes.
Now they are unim I'm friend bibi me refi. But me kaidi na me de be mamu.
Okay.
Ade aba omo ye.
Yeah.
Even now skin. First some custom tone skin with their cream, they don't do it anymore.
Within pills.
Aside pills in the crowd within 30 minutes, you will chemicals be. Almost the best from head to toe, baby. Almost the baby be your name.
Now we're Tony.
No, we're Tony. Into within we find such 1 hour 30 minutes, you know, you get the color you prefer.
Until you feel say, baby say, so be a enim.
Bible no cracker. Bible no cracker.
Bible no can say.
Bible no can say. Adie bia obeye no dodo bia no. Eso nsisa so.
Bibia ya won so negative and positive now.
Say be eduaba no kro ka che na eduaba no kro idibro so say o nsisa so. There is nothing under this earth obeka say oh yeah. Yes, me that. Kasa ya kasa even the microphone we are using.
Yes.
One me will testify say the more you use this thing no headset really shady. Me ho masum kra ma ho be say 3 times. Because yes, my be say 3 times because the more you use the headphone no, a more problem. But enye say immediate problem. To say be a Kebra no ne omo use enche to say wo say we use for so many years.
Yeah.
You know at the end of the day the woman wax no. Was a sound in a co wasum no.
So wo fin kran ba na wo fro abebura ya waso sisi.
I say mu ye me. Yeah. And sometimes edu baby. So be kasana obemi mu a like obemi no kike mu amenti. But o kasa brewa me okay.
Hey,
that is the effect of this thing.
Obi kasa say obemi bebre na kike mu amenti ni.
Na Kebra wen. Ye tia yo ho. E ya asemuntra. Master na ye tia se ne kra no. Radiation it takes away your life gradually. I'm telling you.
Yeah, you me call ni akotena ho na phone tia.
Enye
Tino.
Odo de to me
with this you know. Real. Real. Me nche waji sa hope say na do ye
Gifty Empress.
Gifty Empress gifty you say says gifty. Or no. Na me want the picture be comparing to the picture now. Transformation
yeah.
Total transformation. Me nkesa na ne ho nyefu na no yefu.
Oh, na Gifty was okay. That no me ni share here. About me show so ewo Accra na ye. I'm say Gifty when you started I think I was among the first people on mobile wonyom. Me kai say only prophet or say and a buy and ye promotion come but what's this ono whom your friend me yeah e wo futu kasema na simpa kasem na yi means opening
okay
osi na yi na eja
na Mac Brown cry.
Oh yeah. Mac Brown me hu no but screen so no me hu no but me come on me hu omo
physical
recently. I think say this thing is helping them in some way and in other way. Oh, e mo ma hu ofepie.
Yes.
Me hear somewhere last year, my classmates be a friend of Titi. Nilai, since US. Na
anti me bo so obi ti say na wa ya kwadworo obi ti say woni meduane noa wobi ti say wo mbre ne ho ase wobi ti say woni ma honidie wobi ti say na kire se woni suban a eno no na ayeden eye mo penisa
eno ye ebi penisa isi madam fu bi no ne me bon komo no say
eye me wa o de be cheche
madam fu bi no ne me bon komo oba me ho ofie na asema na oka ni nyina ne say ase
what are you telling me
oba bia oni ni be oba bia oni ni be say bia
oba ware ase
omenwe
aduane mbe
nipa ne ye o ye nko ha
obu ade
ne ye nyese nipa ye kura so no at the end of the day no onyo bi mpo a obeka say bia o me niema efi boami there be we say oh let's take it to the laundry.
Come on, that is what is killing most of us. Mbema ye mudodo na ye hwe suban. Ye hwe the inner beauty. Ye hwe inner beauty no. Yeah, we just look at the physical, the form of the person. Then
thank you.
But Okoware Oba Sebiota Frache. Obano is endowed with this. Now Obano Mbu. Obano Emma Weninji of Obano no Kasa anyhow. Obani ni Madia. I didn't try a warrior barre. Bible no class Obani help meet. Oboyan will feel Boyan one your mem. And to Swako for Obano to say Nasebio Nimunyansa and Fast Wobian. I'm telling you.
I know you're me rep near ye.
Dear boy, good morning.
Original, me hoye.
If you are a boko.
Yamedom.
Watch your Facebook.
Unse Kibra no musaro. How be a normal so.
How no muswampa.
Yeah. How be a unse mincheti for.
It's here for
140 papa fa che one more. Say nya to na ebedi.
Dabi.
Yeah. Anya to na edi. Na nya to na yehwe. What I say? The inner beauty ni woni pa adwum.
E woni pa adwum.
Ha nti se wo fo nipa no to dia wa nkwa ama. Oh. Unse oman bia wo monije eto ho no omo gina faako nipa bia na nije so eje eto no gina faako ha nti ti say don't ne eye K Brown there
yeah
faako mo gina ho no be gina
Ziggy ka
ha Ziggy so na nje ho ho anya mo wa say Ziggy ani badwum because we Methodist ni John Wesley say ono no oyo onipa kokko nti wo hwe oba kokko en ha no bebre ani ti na ma Alitina.
So no sin any bejo.
Ana me say, that's what I can say. Ziggy say ni John Wanya mwanwa. Anya mwanwa, etan say ono e Methodist ni. Aha, anti Methodist for no.
This also ya Methodist ni.
What say?
Methodist for any
Methodist. Methodist. John Wesley say.
Kwame finance kwa asoro ben.
Oko Methodist. Anti say omo ka say Ziggy ni John Wanya mwanwa. Anya mwanwa because no ya Methodist ni.
Methodist for naturally one way ni
oh naturally Methodist for say John Wesley can so no on show back kokko sanso no na ni choba kokko
naturally o mani je ho ka naturally mani je ho
Dabi
di ya Methodist ni
men ka say me Methodist ni ana me nya babi nso nka ana me say mo no say na mo ba mo bra na sa na mo be gina o say Methodist ka ko 200 years o say Pentecost abesan ho because o say to hwe etu be gina fa ko say apostolic e ba Ghana nyene Pentecost abesan mo eto hwe we ni mo hwe nti esa so mo disika no be yempuntu dwon hwe maato o mo disika no be yempuntu dwuma no
invest for the future of the church
future of the church ni maato
that be
apostolic for Moses apostolic the apostolic church Ghana oba hanu a akwapmu ha nyina no Moses school dan ba akopɛ nyina se ne K Brown kano omo invest kano wo maato no pre
we kwa to me twa akra be
akra twa nyini patom akra twa na nyini patom
don't we unya we wa asori nwa every Sunday not asori
K Brown Bob Marley said be no twim one no dey try to share jeans share by no you be no richest person on earth 36 years ono twa akra sen ayi atui Bob Marley twa akra sen atui Zenya to na ye preach was sorry them. If one no, say me the two we kwa sorry. Unya members, o de mashata wole nkwa ma sorry one day. Correction obenya best in 2 way.
No correct.
Me say mashata wole nkwa ma sorry one day. Shata wole mra Methodist one day say be adukro Methodist.
We say sorry.
Adukro Methodist. Yes,
Pastor preaching.
What's the boy ohun here?
Bibinti.
Ohun ti na okasa. Don't you see the boy?
Me dabi hu na me hwa eden. Me dabi hu. Sanse ahwe ase e de nya maato
e maato
edu ba bi onipa Yakobon ma na hoden edu ba na for yam sebe wo mo ya buru mfa ncheme oyam aburu etutu nani e maato timu de mo kwaso hwe
dabi
enu ne
don't see do omum
e maato ahwenti ana Solomon ko wuda abusum
yes
Solomon
Queen of Sheba
obi a ye de nyansa nyi dum no
awie bi Bible say
ko wuda abusum fi
awie bi Bible say Solomon nyansa no ete say poano anwea o se Yakobon dum Solomon nyansa no do say poano anwea e ma 20 e ma 20 abibi man e ma 20 ewe aka
ye mpani fo
yes
enyi endra na eye Calvin church let me ball mu kakra me nim na o kire ade a Morocco fu etimi aye ne stadium o mu asisi ni training pitches na ade oh won mu asisi won mu kra chese but oba yen ye bi rim hanu mo tumi a wo ho nyina Africa ba oba hanu mo tumi a ade na hu no
Emma
what do I say
Emma to ande
it's because of the women. South Africa for my
Mandela ni ma bebre no timi give freedom ma omo.
Yeah.
Rudla Madebe Mandela no Nelson ye Methodist for the man no. Yeah. One per ma to bebre nti hwese otimi your man. Pokigame one share ma to no hwese na wa ye Rwanda.
Eno de ye ntro ye nka nkyere e wo TV so say on pem ma to no ye wo kokwa mo bi anim.
Kokwa mu ni ayi.
Kokwa mo bi anim. Unya we motivate you for a morning a year.
Where your motivation?
But bosu onko ji na catch your ma to.
Dabi modi we ma me okay.
We wa mo bobra. We na busa so wa mo bobra. Dabi I'm not saying I'm bobra Ghana no Kebra kan.
We are full advertisement marketing.
Clement Opare or see Brown, your life is not spiritual at all.
Me spiritual
How can you do this?
Clement Opare your suffer.
Hey, Nani John. Okay. Hey, Clement, Nani John. And your Clement na last all comment say, oh, this is what we like, this is what we like. Boom boom. Nani John.
Like
and then pa di ni okay no cre.
Me makase. Oh, see. On oh brother who is the Church of Christ. Ono asofo no ba kwa hia. Church of Christ. Aso no hia.
Brotherhood.
That be me kase. Methodist for. Say digi say opa enye me nwanwa. I Methodist. Yeah. Na say we no balu ayahu.
Enye balu ayahu.
We ni pato.
We ni pato.
We ni pato. We ni pato.
Balu ayahu.
Ni pato.
We hwe wudim. Wudu.
Na the boy no beti say kra wo wiase a. Nipa no menye Nyankopon de but we menye sure say nko betumi atena se for less because eye wait o so eye nipa na ye rela anka eye wait na nko betumi kra na nte
me si obetumi ana me se me na prebo heme of amonokrum me se no ye heavy papa uhu ne my wa obrim e picture me se wuntumi hwe ne mienu
kebi
but se no otumi na because we cry a full sports we cry otumi na
because of
yeah
but ono na natural what I say
we artificial
we artificial but when say enhancement apa
anene ye ne
Etin we nkwai mo sports o we full sports
otafija unse ndwana kwa mi ka say netball ni ade ye bo na ebo school so na international game ko world cup ye hwe we ye be world cup Ghana berry atu ye be world cup
of course
I don't know
so bro na ye we bro say puto me say be world cup Ghana berry I James Town upon now. You call Olympic Games. I say you swimming. Ghana quite gold Dana.
All right, mommy 5 minutes. I'm going to be able to na fino. Yam fet ye fwe nsi hana bibia enso enye kama mekama unse. Eyo kuma nkasa kuma morning show. Eni atena si aye bibia ye dwidwagum ye breaking it down enso hana bibia. Enso aye kama meka use ndra Champions League aye women's aye afano etumi ba so ma bibia enso aye kama Paris Saint-Germain manet na fie ma Chelsea mano eko bom e ka porpore 9 Chelsea mano.
Chelsea team na man ya dey say member I say blaster no e man ya dey papa
say wow na member ne Liverpool nso kwa koshia ene
ene no se nyame amemu a because wo me be share goal no Nicolas Jackson say we feel good ene be boy
aba ntino ene ye draw 18 Real Madrid and man so etna fie Emma Hacken eko bom eka ba ko mo so no mantima de braka Ayas HAS Roma e bon kamienu a ono so no wetumi antimu ada braka ye de sankomo no enso e ma Bayern Munich and mano enso e ne Paris Saint-Germain and mano etumi bo 2-2 wo ho a ye de sankomo ni nyina enso e ma Jumeri de so no England Championship no 2 matches etumi to dwa Coventry ene e Bristol City etumi bo 2-2 Leicester City ye Swansea e bon 3-1 wo ho ye de sankomo no and so more and English Premier League no it me to draw matches a hold on it me to draw the sound common so more Northern Forest etnefi Emma Arsenal ko born e kamienu a otumi team eba ko and so Fulham and so etnefi any Everton ebo 0-0 Luton Town eche ye Brighton and Hove Albion e born e kapore and 9 on so went me anti mother braka Crystal Palace and so eche Sheffield United e born e 3-2 a ye the sound common and so etumi e more Aston Villa and so eche Newcastle United e born e kapore dabi Newcastle momche no e born e kapore miensa ono so etumi team ba kwa ye the sound common no and so etumi e ma etiefo na bibia and so aye come and so e jumedie no so no na tie enra no unim say African Cup of Nations no yadia matches no ebi etumi to da Morocco enra no atina fie eye wadere emma Maliko Pone kamienu a ono so no went me antimada braka ye the sound common no and so e ma etiefo na bibia and so aye come and so jumedie no so no Natie eyadia Mali enso no eche Burkina Faso bone kamienu a ono so no etimu ba ko na Morocco tena fie ma South Africa bone kamienu a ono so no wetumi antimada braka ye de san komoni nyina enso ere mo next round of the competition no say ne say fixtures no ade di Nigeria any Angola ebetumi de share Cabo Verde enso ene South Africa sanso na Mali any Ivory Coast DR Congo enso ene Guinea enso ebetumi share ye de san komoni na enso ere ma e jumedie no so no yenko na yenhwe ene fixtures no na bibia enso enye kama na bibia so entumi endi the din Asian Cup no nim say ene match ni bi betuma to dwa sanso na other matches no etu betuma to dwa e English Premier League ni yenfa nyina enso enfa ma Bahrain and e Asian Cup nim no obetina fiato no sadia frɛ ye Japan 11:30 am no betumi dia rentam so sana Iran enso ebetina fie ene Syria etumi dia rentam so a ye de san common so ere ma English Premiership no say City Manchester City ebetina fie to no sadia frɛ ye Burnley na 7:30 p.m. no Pep Guardiola ne mrante ne tumi dia rentam so sanso na Tottenham Hotspur eso etina fie at share ye Brentford na almost no 7:30 o tumi dia rentam so Liverpool enso no 8:15 no or to ne sa e dia frɛ ye Chelsea no almost no etumi dia rentam so ene Empire ebedwa gidigidi se Chelsea anjin go to dia some match no me ka Chelsea e draw enso wa ye de san common so e European Champions League no mana film no and the matches na wodo na betuma to Brand etina fie atu say dia frɛ St. Paul's and Samsung Lyon and Slavia Prague and so betumi dia hia Samsung Eintracht Frankfurt and so no and Rosengard betumi dia rentam so SL Benfica and so FC Barcelona man betumi dia rentam so ye de san common no and so the metie for na bi so kama England Championship no match ba ku betuma to Sheffield United ebetina fie no ne Watford etumi e dia rentam so Samsung na Spanish La Liga no 2 matches ebetuma to FC Barcelona mema no ebetina fie to inside dia frɛ Osasuna no betumi dia rentam so Atletico de Madrid and so any Rayo Vallecano and so betumi dia rentam so ye de san komo we nyina and so de metie for na bibia and so aye kama and so jumedie no so ntino we and sem kakra it made fi Europe no and so de bretie for memfa MTN FA Cup no ha Ghana na bibia so nye kama na fe ni yenko na tiefo enso entumi nya eno na bibia so ye kametimi fa we ma eye tiefo ne fancy na fe no eye okuma nkasa dwumedie ne entumi ento so unim se ene eye MTN FA Cup fixtures no round of 16 entumi aba out ene eye baby eye babo ni nyina no ampefo entumi dia betu 17 February 2024 eye Saturday ball for quarter no dabi ball for United enso etene fi atu no sadia frɛ ye Wow Power FC e wo Sunyane Coronation Park 3 p.m. and as so much in betuma baso ye de san common no and so ye ma akoboso Young Madrid and so any Bechem United they betumi dia rentam so our Linklade Stadium ye de san common so ye ma Legon Cities and so any FC Nania Theatre of Dreams and as so much no e betumi dia baso na Sunday 18 February 2024 no matches in the same city in Swatreman etne fiato no sadia frɛ Brekum Chelsea e wo Nana Kransa Park no mo so no o betumi e dia rentam so wa a yɛde san kɔmmɔ no so ɛma Karela United ɛnso ɛne Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛnso yɛde betumi ahwentam so ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium a yɛde san kɔmmɔ no so ɛde ma Dreams FC ɛne Koforia Simpa FI ɛnso no ebetumi ade ahwentam so wɔ Theatre of Dreams ɛnso na Elmina Sharks ɛnso ne Sky FC ebetumi ade ahwentam so a yɛde nkɔmmɔ ahodoɔ na etumi ade ma last match no ɛyɛ Soccer Intellectuals ɛnso ɛne Hoho United ebetumi de ahwentam so ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Ejumako ɛyɛ Asasan Park enso wo a yede san kwamo ahodo no enso yede matiefo na bibia enso aye kama ewo dwumedie no so no tinene ha ne ebetumi de atiefo ati time ekọ ahodo pa time ko enya afedi agro no ese ekọ ne ye doctor ekodi nkomo na afi ne yede dwumedie ahodo no enso etumi to aso ntina ka kire ha na eye mede atiefo nyina enso no ebesi ewo ha esan se unim se time no ekọ pa ntina okay Niesta near Fatano, and I yet me ama etiefon so aso ate enso ewo honom. Enti na yebeko.
Anti why na wadare ne ho Samia Wukua abia lotu. Eni dear Ben what they hire you Facebook wo say.
A champon Ernestina or your banso. Why are dear pa?
No say what Africa meta can say. Social media ne sa phone ne nuanom enya boni o but obibini ade ba instead of be convert na waye ne yie no o de ye boni sir me nka so bi ntwa loto ba wonim say ya dwuma ye mfa loto no enye sebehwe o so na pa bia loto so na pa bia loto o say obotimi ma numbers na ma na dia ade wunya number na e papa utwa na udi trillions a sanka bre amanfo preposition ni ade wonso nkebe respective bi ntu ko loto number bi ebebo a emfa ha ye wa akotwa na break down lottery machinery no na ye ma award da bia na won so award mo data be o data mbacho si company na ton since da bia be ha ya adwene wo fi ha ne ade da bia no ma na ye na akoye ya
Enukre yebedi common den samu piepio de obonkata hudom yebeko doctor ho na ne Dr. Gabriel Holy din komo kakra na enne na yewie enne blood groups in there yehwe A which Ndro can say is the weakest yet fertile and perfection. Say mini hana started with O, the strongest, mobile B, the intelligent ones, AB, scarce, but because of its mood swing, they can also do so many things. And now, ye bania babeshe A, na ye the way forward.
Doctor Minunepa.
Doctor.
Okay. I think one of the villages. Okay. Yeah, the Andromedia picture was yeah. And do now, mano, no, one adrobia, a very powerful power of a maybe say yeah, it's a cleansing system, down. Yeah. Okay. I mean, and the voice in the not me who ye, but me share picture. Yeah. No teacher, me say we jai teaching na. Yeah, so we me no nyina so there. Then we are there.
Anyway.
Say Ghana no ye nya adwuma ba ko.
Dabio. Ghana ye.
Me so for Saji Susu.
Madam for so for be Jesus. I was Madam blocks. Me Madam for so for pa very 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 powerful man of God. Oji Jesus.
You are seeing na so ba ko ton Petro. TD Jakes e ba Petro a. And so I am catching a sorry man. Momo bompa yo no ne yire ton Petro. So my catch that sorry man say mpa bon no quiet. What you saw them one for prime. Na tumi apo
Osaka doctor na. Ti doctor wa hawane so. Okay, yanko na yene Dr. Gabriel Holu enkodi enkomo enanape. Doc, good morning. Hello, Doc. Hello, doctor. Mete say doctor, ye chichire. Na minti doctor nke. Hello, doc. Hello. Hello, doc. Hello, doc. Okay. Anape, what is your blood group? o blood group and I mean o blood group here then.
Yeah, O plus. O positive.
O positive. Oh, okay. The strongest blood group. Now, the boy, where are they? Blood group here, they.
Mojano.
Mojano.
Hello.
Doc, Wadaroma, Mebo.
Me ni nabi.
Oh, you need nabi.
As far as Mojano.
Hello, Doc. Good morning. Hello, Doc. Good morning. Hello, Doc. Good morning. Hello, Doc. Good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Doc, what you mean, ka? Hello. Better than wait to me. I need a BD boy.
Say Mojano, as far as say, oh, money there. I did no.
I said Mojano will maybe what me AB positive.
Okay.
It will be a O negative. Or be a
maybe an at us.
Oh, Mojas. I don't know where you're bosom.
I'm going to check in now.
No, Mojana.
Check here.
Hello, Doc. Good morning, oh.
Good morning, Minia.
Now, what is say?
Boko say, yeah, one Casansote.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Ah, Dr. Gabriel, what bachelor dear will pom her baby down?
Oh, me, for once a teacher, bachelor there for over 15 years.
Wow.
I am still the district football chairman for the past 16 years.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the normal Gabi will be any muna and Coco Brea, brother than a Coco Intino. Papa Pepe Kobe Unia, or see a friend in Tilapia. This one is Saudi Navy.
Matt.
A teacher by profession, Papa.
Matt, as a doctor. I don't pay a better was Dr. Gabi. When you're bread. Now, Andra, oh, the IF, maybe Mukakra. Andra, my year who when you started, I was not around, but my the blood group, 1 year 04. Oh, my yeti, I say, 04 no, only is the strongest blood group.
Exactly.
Yeah, and I'm who say B4, no, they are very, very intelligent.
Sure.
I mean, so I fall part of AB, no, so no. Your blood near scarce, kakra, because we contribute about 5% or so. And when it comes to mood swinging, and you know, maybe before no, before we don't digest issues before reacting, and we don't finish what we start. You made mention of the group O and B, say the red meat here, and then Nasifo, and then Nyamiadom Adiachi, you do A so. My answer the blood group A. Also, the weakest, yet they are very, very fertile. When it comes to perfection, too, they are there. I don't pay my NTO, Doc.
Well, when you have a very good student like yourself, you are using the B aspects of your blood group to digest all that we have discussed so far. Yes. I think that's very, very good of you. Then say going forward, no, when we go into details, even we say, TF4 will love this station forever and ever.
Okay.
If you are no be 8 for the first time, you can say you will come be briswa, you desire. Bako, say, ube you su blood group, ube didi according to your blood group. Now they are fire bia. Ewo uwidiemu, anawenya, anase ubenya. Na nyanko point is own wisdom on ebo blood group no bako mienu miensa anai. Na se ni edidi sui, eye o ne di kain, na huonde ni bibia. Ni otosu mienu eye B. Ni otosu miensa ye AB. Ena ni ukatono eye A. Na bibia efa O no eye directly opposite A.
Okay.
Nti say what sia de afa O ho a wo sia O bia ni opposite no eye A.
Okay.
Isa say me teacher nti me pese me students no eti ne amana symptom.
Okay.
So what I say nti say only the strongest blood na say A no be dey.
The weakest blood.
The weakest blood. It is say only you bold and courageous A no be dey.
Be weak, courageous.
Exactly, those kind of things. It is a ono pe mojanamwa. Be pe
Eno bepe hahain anase
very good. Very, very good. It, you know, you see, eno the weakest blood among all the blood groups.
Okay.
Yet they are the most fertile blood that we have. So what I say? Fertile in such a way says we a blood group now show we did yesu year. Umujano they are supposed to be vegetarian or partial vegetarian.
Okay.
Women are supposed to be vegetables and fruits. If one characteristic is that they are calm, very, very, very calm. They are slow in doing everything, but their hallmark is perfection.
Okay.
It is only need two kwaya. Now must work on 9 o'clock. I boss says I know. Man in the no. Oh no, bet me the 2 seconds. If Jare says in who you national card or na ye. Na eno so tumo bono ye ni nyame wiabo say ya kroje. Eti ye ko school no bo say ye ma exercise stubborn boys only beef one. Within 3 seconds or say o mewie. So kwa o nya 10/10.
Yeah.
Eno no betimi atran so man 3 hours o wi a o ti paper no ho sa just wa bodon plan. Say 3 hours na so ansana or the beko. They don't have confidence in the idea. They want to seek the other people advice. Meanwhile, they know perfect. I always want to send you back to the classrooms. We be in homework, pao. The be fine, but best one of power. So say, kwejo, who dey know anything? I mean, who dey know anything? Opposite the company, they lack confidence of whatever they are doing. And now almost throw any more because they are timid. They don't want to offend people too much. They hardly agree or disagree on whatever discussion is going on. To bet my tram meeting will be able to be asked me for us. Oh, for us saying, I say, do you understand? Yes, sir. Any question? No, sir. What you doing? Maybe I mean in another make I say, oh, compare about your blood group. Yeah, what friend I can be here, you know, show anything. If you have no opinion, but so baby, I say, I'm pa you another be non can.
Okay.
Oh, I do. And then you know, bit my best family. Oh, more answer by 8 o'clock. No, we see no about.
Okay.
It is so nim now. Ko fa kwa way. Emilia be so but not to. I say, but you didn't tell me you will come on about. I say, but you told me that I should come. They are very, very slighted people as a way who send on one beya or whom. Then lastly, some year you might be born pa HR and the counseling is the best for them. That's my baby shemu a jumamuni way no. Obiaka na ya black group in the camp. They have that respect. They have all those things attributed to them.
I see. Doc, you if we one of my Bobria said the almost a city your monument. My ambisa nano pay say, aso, and all my yet I say, oh, for we momo, before we your momo before say, if we should be honum, and I wedding kayaka, I mean, I say, moment directly opposite, oh.
You know, a Diani a Yema, if war. Say the whole West Africa and Africa and Ghana, a Brian, all the maize or corn, if for pet, they say the moment, Omna a Broya Modia. Apart from that serious, no, they can also do well with millet.
Millets.
They can do well with sorghum. They do well with white meat and fishing. Until they catch a white meat now, a coconut
fowl.
The fowls, all poultry, the best.
Poultry.
Just make it the best so that it is simple for you. Mujanamo dear, they be I make sunni. Mujana nyamao. Mujanam enyamao. Ediane bakumi nubi so ensa nyama a4 a very, very tricky. Say we a blood group O now di banana. We mu beda ho ma wakọ baby so fefefe. But say di banana ni yem betim obenya constipation.
Doc.
Ya mo nso enye ma ifo. So say nia no.
In fact, we bie mani pa because doctor me wa damfo bi se me di kwadu ba miense nan kra na me yem be yemre.
Yeah.
Wonu bom wodi kwadu bom na ne yem aye den mom rada.
Ucha all the bunch of banana crowd my blood group E na ne yem still a bit team. Odi yama ne yem be hwie.
I see.
Nipa ni blood group A. No, yeah, the weak one, which is the negative. Odi banana na bit me nya running stomach.
Okay.
So you know, abibia na meka say, se ye wo abufra na ye start say the man aduane a. Mufra no at most time reject some of the food we give to them. But ye adwe maso because ye nim. Na bufra wo 3 months or say 4 months o ba be didi a. Ya so ne nan mienu aso ne sa na trekesi we ye dia tare ne kachirama so say upeu umpo kokono ba no. Ni ye dem fama hu ni hwinim.
Sa
Abofre onyin stubbornness no a honest start you because you are forcing the child against his or her will from that tender age.
Okay.
Nti any padodo why so aye tin no. This is the reason why. Ya kwaye no. But so ma abofre aduane a aduane no ye ma abofra na o twe won sakra na abofra na so wunsem dia hye na no.
Yeah. Doc, why money na no my bisa say e wo bearing be on our sickling status ana?
Very, 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 very sure. On say no, you ask a question of your human characters in your maniama. Then, like I said, for one more training, they will be using the sanguine and all those kind of things. But yen ye buy ye say muja wo muno. Nisu and then buy and I'll be portrayed.
Okay.
So I just say, it you know say, oh ye oh, not say by mistake, kwako worry. Yeah. It's not so to me yet will be any different, and I will soon different. We always try to give you the middle food that you can take.
Okay.
That is the neutral. No, do very, very well.
I see. Doc, and the watch the moment you who if also said there one ebobre city and in your menu now say vegetables and fruits, you know, if a lack of confidence, they are calm, they are slow in doing everything, and other times they are a bit timid when it comes to
they are timid, very timid,
and you maybe ma yembisa say obi o na bia okoware na omo ehia na ombe produce ananso so efiri mu beba omo mba de bi ebetimi afa trait no and ebetimi a different thing altogether.
Ebetimi a different thing altogether. And no na mostly a tidy problem about ware bi no. Once the ono ye the strongest no. Onya yanka bribia obeshenyi ma ebe wo ba no nanka if you say ye o ma no.
Okay.
Kanye opuna say a drop it should be at run B.
Okay.
But nipa na oye A and no. A B ane maame eye A B.
Okay.
Ni oye O and no A B na ne papa eye B or the O. It is the chromosomes no 46 is still there. There are traces there. Then I also say the day na wo shenyim no nipa ni moja no eye papa on that night no. Mostly woman na mofra na fa wom.
Okay.
It is a your blood group. Oh, now so no pay by this time wakowe local for thought. Wakowe preconam. Ewia wakowe kebab. Enimere wanu mzikarate kakra na se wakobo wi kakra. You have contaminated the blood. Na so on the onim say na na obehye ne nyimo
doc me bo what contaminated blood no blood ne betimi asesa every near ye na koye blood fufuro bi ana
ensesa but yale ne wo mu no me ma another example won say na we di fruit anopa we di very well according to the blood group no okay amoja no ye more cruging into any ono eba be fight in the formulation. Okay. That is what we said the acidity na ewo onu mu no eba be drop. Not the most fertile nutritious blood of the ano and so the push yaba.
Okay.
You get it. Mm-hmm. It's just like the AB. How do the AB form? The ana eba for the means and mujano. E for some the anu manaba. And na B no so for some the anaba. Na be na come because obi engineer be in yonko so the two have come. And I'm waiting here one. You will not see the A, you will not see the O, you will take the middle one. Because the man might have one of the genes from the mother, which is different. The woman might also have another one from the other side, which is different. On the day of fertilization, the neutral one comes.
Doc, sir, Obi A, na me sene sana wohia emoja. Ebini ni betimi ama ni moja na B betimi ama ni moja. Menim say O for no universal donors. But if I say B and AB betimi ama A moja na.
Yes. AB no betimi ama the A betimi ama the B but on be moja no ma share na ho on at that particular moment. And you know, I don't know the A before no yet the most special people. Almost also. Because almost to make come left, it me come right.
I see.
So what was any It is a problem about me beer. You can solve it to extent. Say AI, you can solve it to extent, at least in the neutral basis.
Alope doc, memma kwaina etiefu abwewure mu kakra. Obi wa asem bia we bisaw na efe ye wi advice bia ebia wo no so ode amayen enna na pe na ye gusu ehwe wenim kwan se ye bepe debi na doc waba na ya ye screening obi kra nim se wo ye eyo so ye bio so ye ebio so ye eyo nti obi ebo de bra bia de bia da dibiri bia num bia hwi bia hwa bia tafiri bia wehu na eno etimi aboayen nti ewie etiefu anape ne doctor Gabriel Aholuna ewo ahame so enne odi eno ana wode bra yen o shasia with O na oba B na dram ne ye AB enne ya hwe E ebi a wutie me blood group kura wunim ebi ana yade ya wo yare nyina na ye no bi a kense se wudi mpo na wudi anope minim ba me ma wakwanya no doctor is on the line anti obafre na we bisa wo question bia we bisa doctor on 055-166-7755 055-166-7755 and 0270-19-1971 0270-19-1971 na wafre na we bisa doctor na odi anu yie bia ho bia no ede amount anti odofo bi akate okay 055-166-7755 055-166-7755 yes hello good morning
hello good morning
me pata ma volume ni nko for mo mama why all right
me o positive but mommy bisa say and say mommy ama
we are O positive who bisa say obetimi atwa kakra okay Mate Dr. Jina so be ya no ama enti hold on na yen for front so yes hello good morning udini bia frefre
ba jo me bia
okay
O positive it me for you into under this
what say o ya dey O positive A positive okay and two bisa say we are dey
me kan ni a kan ni na wana me wanda e na
o wanda e ni two bisa say o kan ni a Dr. Abubo so na okay all right Meka my yemfa we so yes hello good morning Me pacho udini bia free.
Pacho kuma Evelyn kasa fi Dabuasi.
Dabuasi.
Pacho.
Dabuasi we area ha ho.
Wasai. Dabuasi Wasai.
Me ame Dabuasi eye Shama Dabuasi Kojo Krom.
Pacho ai.
Ho na wo chi yan free.
Pacho ai.
Wow.
Say opebre. Okay.
Wow.
Yo, my yeti we.
Pacho, mama bi say dey me be positive. Na e di bambe na make me take alcohol na.
Eye be positive. Enti pere e hu dey botu me take alcohol ana e di bambe na ija obe yo ka ma obi a. Mati, Dr. Wahamando obe ya no ai. Okay. Yo. All right. Yes.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho
me. Pacho Teresa.
Test kase free he.
Damboche Road,
okay. Test yentio.
Pacho me dey AS.
AS now has got to do with your sickling.
It's sickling,
and your blood group. But nanka opese hu.
Pese me hu say bia niam bi wo ho enye mami ana.
Okay. Yes no doctor better them say ye wo SS and ye wo AS and ye wo is it AC? Okay. No, I am not a doctor. Doctor was on table.
The genotypes, we'll treat it, God willing, from next week.
So, from next week,
but
okay.
Still, on checking the blood group, Ankasa.
On checking the blood
whether
group.
AS or SS or whatever.
Okay. All right.
OB, AB, on checking.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Hello. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Me pa cho dini bia free.
But your friend Kokoya Akote.
Akote. And that's what's your free latte.
But you.
What say?
Kwaku detressing. Kwaku detressing.
Hey, and I'm browsing uchi echira hand time emma nyina.
But you.
And that's who bet you
Metia won pepe.
Uchi won the way echira hand time man so frɛ when I say Kwaku Akote. Anabe ma yenti.
Yo, I'm say, doctor, minya no man ka me pepa because yeah, alternate no say yeah blood group no say you tie ni ya e be bura yan pa because why are they because me man na alternate no ni nyina perfect perfect because me sa me black group no da me hu se na me so ban sike ane bibia me kwato na pepe man nti no yes da na se pa se o tere o man se tere pa.
Okay, me da say Akote nyame nhyira. Amen. Why na wo ahambe so anape. Hello, good morning. Okay, unfortunate. Yeah, it's 055-166-7755. Alternatively on 0270-19-1971. Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Radio Home Mobo. Now, swear.
Namia don't boko.
Minia Ben, I'm in a case.
I thought you make a team of Casafia Papa.
Minia Boko, dear.
I don't boko.
Yeah, that yes, you are Siano pay my entio.
It's here on the doctor and so. And I can say, I mean, maybe some check out to the visa. So the time, it's a contact and I say, make me and then.
What check yache into our one kai say, how can say we a AB?
I have a kite AB and that means kind
until the person is over qua check it. Check Doctor Kasa be pebra bahasi. Doctor Ba ye be boy be sitan to okuma enim hasi. Na doctor about na nurse for ni fidie ni bibia ba. Aha. Na yeah she. Why? Okay. Yo, shoemaker tie mo me da say hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Boss, udini bia free.
Pacho, we did the prophet Ebenezer free.
Oh, okay. Prof.
Pacho anapay kunyakupo kuisha mpa.
Amen.
Mama ye anapay mama yati eno bebre na se. Na me pese bit ne bisa doctor say nyano no na pese oma yehunu ni eyema before any positive no any the end because when I say one sheda anko emusa amaye.
Okay. Dr. Boboso, if you in drag kakra, time and dry, they say, ebino. Only bini na say, Ochre Munia, a year, and Riania, ye, and Namwa, ye, and any year. And a pay crab, Boboso, I can say, no vegetables, any fruit, more like a confidence, or say a bro, a year more pan cereals, or can sorghum, or can atoko, or can a view. Oka enyo mebi oka bayire ebi so kra no enye ma omo ne ye ma omo ina but do ye nko doctor wa hamane so enti endi nkombo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa che weti say obapa
ya me adumo
ye do ba dia se
me pa wo doctor kata you know okay see last week okay see blood group no arrest sa egwon pa amira se segmeni na it's okay me dey not say nkai you know me ye no so doctor be say good to na aye sa ana so beba ha dia ne omra le ntem na ye ntimi mehwe na ye hu se ne a ese.
Okay, all right. Obisu ahabane so good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, yeah. Me pache udini bia free.
Yes, Haji.
Ya frawo. Haji Aguda.
Because Safia Manfo.
Haji etisay.
Nyame azumo.
Ya de radi ase anope yenti o.
Me pache me A positive.
We are A positive.
Me pache ai. Because I mean, Mr. Doctor say A positive no. Inyane ben sana makes me edgy.
Okay. Open Mr. Doctor say A positive no. Inyane ben na betimi edi.
Ani aduane a minti.
Ani aduane a wontumi ndi. Said the prophet so fra bisaye no say Doctor Church the mu no. Obi nso bisaye A positive say no so aduane ben wotumi no monsa no ntumi no monsa B positive visual fra say ono so aduane ben ne say odi ne ohine nse say odi. Okay, mate. Anti my last caller we ho na doctor enyiyi ano mayen. Okay. Doc, you try last caller you betimi na we yin mako e de obi wa hamane so ana. Na we yi ano amayen. O positive or say alcohol yema na otumi twa kakra at the appetite e bi opese okodo man your wife choba otumi
so be fa
mama Anita one otumi brand Anita ho kakra na wodi akodi dia na o positive na sem bisanie
yo em say etiefo o mama ye ni agi eduma na ye nyina ye di ho. But one who says a Ghana, you can see ye didia. You be didia fi either a bro, brodier, rice, any plantain, and son of the accompaniment no abba.
Okay.
Ya yet say a breadian in no, a form with me di.
A breadian in na a for bet me di.
Say, would ye tease it, Saudi Akne, Saudi Banku, whichever way, with me di.
Okay.
Obetinye di local and foreign rice.
Aji akajiko.
Obetinye di potatoes.
Kinji.
But you say yam and mano. Yam ni na you want about 5, 6, 7 types of yam. Yam nye mao. A bit mama we make
oh, okay.
A bit mama rice about.
Okay.
Like I say, you see mujanam and some nye mao.
Okay.
Like I say. Okay, milk. Enye ma blood group A for munkenye sa fruit and vegetables ne nyama e ma type no
milk
enye ma. Okay, yes.
Okay,
obi abana
obi am my doc yeti
banana enye ma blood group A.
Okay,
coconut enye ma wom mango enye ma wom tangerine enye ma wom Pawpaw enye mawom. Milk enye mawom. So they should be very, very mindful of that.
Okay.
But apple, watermelon, lime, pineapple, grape, all the strawberries, they are all good for them.
Okay.
Malt, a plant, it is good for blood group. Hey. It's not say obi bisa alcohol asem. It's not say blood group A the weakest blood na abribia say adan into no. Wom no mbetimi kakakra. Na kakra no mbetwa no. It's supposed not to be the local, the Google itself, but red wine and all that type of wine, palm wine, the wine, one chain.
Dog, that's it. Anka, I bet the near Fia Bemubadi anka, and no natural. Never ni send if you young coffee, a year. And I said, well, your hands were being there, what happened? And say when they are yet, I said, Wunya near and yenya ye de DDT and maybe, and Anna Duan maybe. I don't know, man, now Funi who know from Yakasi, now Wunya, ye friends, say, Fu and Cassim, na ye DC so, oh, proofy, and one come and I saw so come out. That's a Canadian can you.
Already, AB and camera, no sample. Can you just imagine at the meeting? AB, no, I don't like a sunny bipolar, a rough.
And what kind?
What's a Cacradia meeting? Oh no, a charisma or one more divid or 2 million national and sa. What's a Cacra? It was a penny a meeting. Can you just imagine? Meanwhile, all the green plants that we have, caffeine, alcohol. That is what is good for blood group O. Contomri caffeine kakrawum.
Okay.
This is an kakrawum with every green plant.
Oh, okay.
A little caffeine a year and my body no. Who can be kuna the HSWA? A fermentia, alcohol kakrabim, that is what your body needs.
Oh, okay.
So it will be beyond your level. If you say do ansana. Eye ananya intina unum 139 boy if you say level no embro so ye within but say go beyond moja na ho de a and the boy say na ba we ni so na wo kasa no esesa gradually nesesa aha it as a medical person no alcohol is not good. We need the normal alcohol from our food, fermented food, and then our green vegetables.
Oh, okay. Enti eno so entimi efena matras
onu betimi twitwa kakra se efe moja no
eno betimi atwitwa kakra na B+ nso onu so tumi twitwa kakra
so B+ no wo B ebi no betimi twitwa kakra
ebi doc me be AB positive but am for say ni so ohye dodo
there is some idea no in your papa in the sanity.
Doc, imagine I say we home.
Oh, I didn't the Bibia, we are moving to the IS, open so open so you be obey. Into only a year will be same pa. That's a Cotoconi has walk of Bobola. What may be doing finish? Oh, Suba make myself James at the end of the old sushi or bar or bossy or thing of a can water. Abribia, you perceive the blood group in an example.
Okay.
Okay.
A friend of
Ghana for ya, so I know. Who are what is Obinia Nanka Lawrence in the D or minus at this time? You miss at that time, not the end all ya near say any, but the next as what didn't we need somebody like Lawrence. We need somebody like Gaddafi. Oh, yeah, so AI is doing too much.
Okay.
Nyame had much now. You better question from the beginning. You better put all the black groups papa just within 2 minutes.
Okay.
Need be questions for all the black groups. Now, my children on every Monday, all health facilities and record high patient attendance.
Okay.
Have you ever observed that?
No, I haven't, Doc.
On Mondays and Tuesdays, all health centers, in your client more. because of what? A didn't do na but we did the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I'm digesting action so. And the new system now started a year week.
Okay.
Oh no, yeah, also on Tiapo.
Aye.
Also, Niti as an Itian, on Tiapo. Uba doctor for a Shemusani as through in team. I say, and you could have a cray. You put up on say we know a church or be Kuni will be more, I said, Transcacla. Go. Any time I will call lab, you see a show Mujamuno. We find out what kind of elements are Ella Mujamu and don't think. And now what this happen? Is it zinc? Is it phosphorus? Is it iron? Is it to every cake? Obingo, no, so do I hear you know. If it's all about hospital, on to say I bet for some all moons you and the infant soon see so. Now are you okay?
I see, Doc. A man for being so bisa senka o number. And I know ya date, and I did 2 years will be per se bia or no dink or mobia away chile honomoa. And me.
Oh, me no my dear with me, Ediama. Once I won with me, Diama. Now, me say, either Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, Mubako. You be planning. Me about yes, Egmano. BOT in Dia with your number. In a day, we need to take care of about 100 people or more. Now, you say, your radio, no, at the Niamapa and Ebre, so that no man can go out.
Auntie, Doc, in Kawa, would you not see Nanka Wadaroma, Nanka Wabubo, Eddie Amame, Kakra?
Yo, what is 0242 21 97 80 0242 21 97 80.
Okay.
And at the office line 0244 660 350.
Okay.
I don't know Fred office or Bafa Fabi and Ebefa.
Okay.
But me and Casamidi and 8, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, because of ABA business and to be friend to me and farm money Hano. On WhatsApp me the same number for WhatsApp and everything.
Okay.
Or problem be a bit in Naka na quiet Befaso Abuano.
Until by the close of the week, na ye ho day no na day na abab ya yet certain or sure of the date na yeah
exactly.
Na yeah.
I will go through my schedules next week.
Okay.
But yeah, my image is a Tuesday to Thursday no. That's 6 months. Midweek be okay. Then we take it from there.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Doc, I pay ya better wase ebrani adagire na wabobo ye nyomi mu achechire nyomi bi hu nyoma ye sua de nyame ya adom ochira ye starte na nya ya ye ni na ya bobo so na fi obi wo question bia odi aba na ya kwe
nyame ya adom a me ba next week a me bro bazooka bi na wo dia ko di mensem ama me
Doc obetimi di amane ka aba ne ya
making the money back with the bank.
Okay, Doc, that's it. Jeff, you know, so that's it. On your beach now, bye bye. Now, Zibo, maybe I know my uncle a pride quickly.
Yeah,
and Anka, yeah, be paying money a quite pretty.
Na doctor no kwasa minimum pa obeye unze meka okoma radio aboa yen aboa ma ye hu nipa ye ne omote a omunim biribi obika obrenu beka we are unearthing the talent ne mo mutumi ye no oye teacher ni obeye pa ya pa na picture ne ma me hu se e ono a picture no me ne di achia pem obi oba ebe adwuma na ye blood sample ne test na ibedi nkomo ye ba do no ka so be ma o se nye bad minimum nipa no ohine kase bu ha ba no hwe no
wonderful
ono mo ohine duro
kabi ma yen kona di boy ni kabi ndin komo na yen hwe all right kabi na original official o touch it down na we breaking it down wo hinie
You see, a Ecovon police station, new one, any more no man.
Okay.
Okay, I care for Becca last year, Query, and I report be was here, na bolano, chance in our to ball and gumuno, not to take a month for bar, or more the ball and go from horse, a video in I was Ziggy war, so they have to Facebook, I say no, the current state of a Ebola now. To go a police station anymore to say send a ACTA. I don't want chance for cry to me idea back counting. If a chance in our say no, I am Makuma me and son. And so was a form on a honor very neat. You zoom line for I or my papa. A very important on almost Sakai and almost yan and say a honor and your crack crying to say no dear. Met my Simabaka say. Situation that I say no, totally different. You say no, we have a very serene environment. Ball and never forming no more pressure almost and so we're 20 no baby. We see no a pool at one my yes, ball and no almost send the camera and so on no. Chance in a honey, I didn't so dear. Mobia and two ball and also in good chance in one. Also situation is very serene and welcoming. It's very fine.
It used to be a nice saw, but come on, your boy who they run and a zoom line, Juma coding in penny for 2 and a more and the more Buama. Can be just obiti honum as I brought the ball and a qua. What you go at Dakanim now, and Naka no more the Biabeka home. Now, Obi or Honoma or this Ajumano, and now I say, ball and ye jai crasser, ye dig honum.
Ye bedu no, ye say, Obi ewa or say. Who are only no ebeko and kind, but they do not yet to a page and mumacacra. Or you decide branch about could be or not, but to ball leguno say, or page and mumacacra, actually, or baba around it, you know. Even make sure say, and Sabecan and nothing, yet to mean actually and common, you know. To see and meet my guy so big to one, more say, one who you know. Ebekon kan yepa and so I say casual.
Near a year mano at a bat nessa and say. Won't say will be anti-way. Will be ba aqualabi, Adakan and Sansum, say, Achidia Bia and Abibian soon see one or before a day egumun to a ba, Nandian and San and Duma. Now a form honoma now would what I want to say, sir, near your Jinasuni Bino, I a biffy and brand egumun, a business war.
Catch say, ye share a video nima. Who Adaka no honum there, but Adaka no warning team but that one I can say it's not enough say maybe I say Akolabia already said 10 years and I believe I to ball legua Nensa Ebedum. But one thing I noticed is how they've done it no. It's so banner on send Mukana out best to baby almost in run away to on it you know. One guy one farm to Kunkuni Morocco to baby now we see in a poor honum no. I say they have it sorted out and the thing is so bad na say ball and be a good for one ma one person as a human being no, of your caliber no one person no or for any wide just a from one how will you feel it's like I can say the citizens no Momodium Huni and almost say Bibia Beko and can be say the ball and go from one no say mosquitoes and I are back with my one affect them. You know, if you come and be on fire a rubber and to form one me, also one fat rubber any day and to form it, you know, ball no more see what you want a one say, Akola be an say, maybe on there, very well to me, to throw an abia, or bet me that could 21 and baby almost a ball and nothing, we be and so I come out, or a police force on, you know, or the two form I think say they are putting their eyes on it very well.
My interest, Bole ya ye go ho ye de ko ho no me fia ye kan ho no me aso ye de enioma no efin no e kwa koto be bia ye hyi mu ana ye de koto adaka mu a ye tua bibi kakra na
on say ye ba ye no ye nya nipa na caretaker na eni na ndi nkomo but to what I know ne say bola konkoni ti baby azum lion nyosha so no ejiska it no the ball betuma ebi 50 pesos no ajo ebi 1 cedi no ajo yes and that one helps say on also no the kita for around on any other no 18 know what I know no that's what I know but this one we don't know say Ubi nipa not on or Jessica na say on Jessica. We will try and get in touch with the person and never come up to Biano. You will make sure to pay for and so as better.
All right, Kebi Nana Kwame Perry Okorie Ajimai. Ana pay better mwase. Say mine is munko swana munko a pro na yenhwe ene okoma tankas ye kombro no so ye bo baby na bola eguguo imbuda ahye homa ne nasefo no ye bo ewura ho na ya hwe said ye sisi ho sitie we ebeto odwa ene yetu anamo ho ye kan ya na ewurade atom ye sisi ho me honom egusu a etiba no ati Kebi ene Kwame Mperi ye damwase anape ye bebo ye homode di boy
ye mo team na baso I think say one idea ye ball and if you are one idea say ye sign it one among you here Porto was a war a cropon too much Porto was a war a cropon too much yeah baby a ball and one move ka crabby ko anima o basic kwan nim na waba e bia obe cropon crodema Porto's be yeah Moncur one yeah immigration for no fire service for junction aish na okoka kra kokko so me ho no mo anim ho no mo ne ade ho so nye
serious
ho so nye kra ma hu se won be sapete ne tutare bi wo Latte junction ho no mo ya ho so no aziza koma anim ko ho na ye hwe ne a ebetumi asi wuye no mu a won be ye ne ka na faso gugugu no ba ko wo Rams or Methodist ho no mo I think say eno boa ada for so ntom boa say fi yemra fi ne so
fa board signboard be sure Russian so dey be si onom na ye hu because I'm accident me anukra na see one mo ye no foforo no moto bi ene ka bi na ade say sign bi an si on there's no sign poster how do you even know say
e di omo by no omo sign post no ho no na ehwe and eba finish here John Wesley can say be or say this one is not a crime. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Yebesre finu sebe manuti to muna so anyam ponje ne nkokọ na eye nipa na eye sa efino na yenkoto agu bisi ukọ ho any police station your opposite almost is what kama yebesre se omonhwe yi na ankoje nsem bio corridor na nsan wotumi se ase yetu ase kakrakra ehwe na ntumi ensi bio nti okoma de yen ha se sebe yebe peja kwapma fa ntama pe franti yeda team no ase papa yeda team no ase team no yebo mu eye abaso omumu ene yo nyame nhyira wono mu
all right medas dibo anape mayenko na mene Ashley entwetwe nkommo ye kwa aprade na aprade mankrado say nimfisha mako enum enye the 5th anniversary na mankrado ya doye wo ko school na wo de textbooks akwa koche school kolai wa aprade say imfie numu a nana mankrado ebedi ade wode chire bibi wode ye bibi said ebe ya mpuntuo bi ebeba ye mano ye wofa sefo ye nananom na brabom and nana say ye mfie numu dia me ba be lanche eyi ma memfa books nkrata kakra exercise books any textbooks akra be hwe mesua de emfa nkonko ya doye enti anopei na nana mankrado oye nisa mayenko na mene yewura Ashley wa prado ye mankrado PRO ending komo ekakra ura Ashley mache hello Ashley hello okay ebebo ye humode say yes abeka no na messages kakra ben ye we say good morning kechre we are listening to you live inside Nyame Abasa Kenke Hub. Congratulations to Honorable Daniel Kenneth, parliamentary candidate elect for Okre. This one is coming from Dokunraba Kwajo Dako. The same person brings in this one and it reads that, good morning, Brow. You're looking good in your glasses this morning. Today is boom boom. Okay. Mark Williams says, good morning, good people of Komai. Okay. Mark Williams, Bravo, and Edeba, yeah. Or say K. Brown is a problem himself. And somebody sent in something and a response from Dokunraba Kojoda who says, I use Amir Uku. Please, this is not the platform for your scam. And I love that. Clement Opare, K. Brown, your life is not spiritual. Anyway, yes, Ira Ashley Wahamane. So, Yankwana any Ashley ending Komo. Ashley, good morning.
Good morning. What are you saying?
I don't know.
Yamela Madafa.
Yada Obadia say. Anope yenim say nana mankrado me say emfie enum nie na afi we na obedi emfie enum na menim say bribisi na nani so hihye bi ne tutoye bi wo honom a ene ya mporo na etu anamombi na wapa nyome bi hontoma bia nyome ni so kira en kakra de ne de na ekoso anope
yo afi na bedi nfi enu a wodi si akonwa so na odi gwaku manu deken mankrado of pedi afi obedi ne nfi enu na ne opeso ya na pe ni se JHS 1 to 3 both Presley and Methodist. Why one just obeto bus akoma school no na wo da tro ade ti akole bia wo buku bi school no bia no waje wo number be bia nti no ni say ekwala 25 le wo dey just one all the 9 subjects now what of 25 books times 9 for the 9 subjects. Sana why JS2 JS3 Presley Methodist all the 6 JS ni no what of books ni na say woko school na so person so dia kola bia benya book ato nanim ono be hwem no so dia hia dia ene ti obese anope no oye presentation de ma school no na teacher fo no enya na woni kire kwala no ade ewe ho
mame bisa sa nana montu a wotu yi die na ma nana etu nana nka se okay ebianka mempe bribi foforo bi emfema school no nambom ekokọ yes books no textbooks and maybe that's what necessitated that exercise books textbooks ni bi na any school honom and I say den e ba se na nana adwene no ekọ sa books yi bi so
na e ba ni say last year what about exams nana eko school eko better person na oko tiafon ko kasa na on tell the woman no sen kwala na be dey waiting extra na result no by na say that end ye if you say that phrase tiafon na de ba na yin no bisa won say think na obo awon awon ntin encha no so woni books ni ade a wo de tell kwala na de bebre because be in school no say ade ya it's an so person to anything no say catch them young. Yes, idea. Obefa just 1. On for entry 3. At 1 from 1 to 3. You know, be a benefit to be here. Or be there. Say be ya. Say this important thing to. And I said next year, not that we have good foundation. Oh, be there to bring a better foundation. Yes, idea. Say this year, next year, the following year, no, better than the other years.
Hey, intimate. Say yeah, PRO, JHS 1. To JHS training nano one more courses ni na textbooks no na providing ni na dia mobia.
Yes, and he's providing about 500 pieces of textbooks.
Wow.
Yes, 500 pieces of textbooks.
Wow.
It's about 100 things that you can manage the cost.
Enye skaketwa na ode ye fa se ba kumpo even 20 cedis and 50 cedis cra. It's a lot of money. Yes. It's a lot of ye born na ba so na ya de eti anope brebe na moko akoye sa adoye we.
Ye bele no 10 a.m. over the forecourt of his palace.
Okay.
Yes.
10 a.m. the forecourt of Nana's palace. And
yes.
Ye be this argument ye mate ye rashly ma ye na wase na ye mfa ensia no ye okuma ye ni dikme de nachi na ode ye nchia amanana e de ama ye se no food apa na ye piano nti okuma ye nso ye beta na nachi na anamompa na etu no ye beba na ya ba behwe ma bibia
rashly
yes you damasi
rashly
yes
ye beba why
yo everything
kaje na na se yenam kwanso why
mati
ono so de agini dikaze ye do so ha
yo mati
problem water fridge ha
mati mobile dem yo ne be
yeah amfa bro nya de na amfra why on de magini di
mati
na papa na yo ma pounds no waba
oko
no ko okay and go be dabro so
oh yeah the dabro so
ope pounds and ope
what there
I see All right. Ebusia, atra brecha say abono nkro me fa dwedi nkrato ba komi no be dane me ho ba nkomo ho no ma be di okoma ikasa so na waso ego 97.1 so ene ye basisia.
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM ye doye tie foye pa ne senti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bi biara ene nwumaku aworo se wo pese ye bo ne ma wo dero edema wa ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa ana sa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akonya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akonya eda ho bra ana sa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akonya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa live ewo Okuman Radio so a akonya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefreyen ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594630059 ana 0246246875 Okuman Radio ana okriape mayano
Hello Monica, can you come over?
Miko if so.
Na hozo ya hefa.
We your ho Jerusalem won. Unti Ifs Hills Hotel in Kaya na. Ye hotel wanwa subia aboku apiman ma amoku apiman aye de. Na ye hotel wanwa so ho no kokho dia. Ahoto so eba ne bambo, eba ne se bebia hotel na ho ya akono dia. Ho ne Ifs Hill Hotel.
Inti hotel sa wo ku apiman mu ha.
Ho nti se bebia na ukọ ya ho niama basa. Danga ukode amukura ntontom e waden de bi if the hotel de ahwante sa na ne eye fene ya kono wo ho ne se abra wode wo 9C compound ho ape na automatic free wifi edam wo phone so na ba ne car park enso dia eye spacious a wo car net den benya ba bia park ye wo fan room se ho ne de obi wo ho a onpe air condition room ope ba bia fan bo ebi wo ho onso a wo pe air condition dan so no eno so ebi wo ho restaurant enso e wo ho e ho no de aduan bia wo pe bia ubenya bi eye continental na say local dishes minua ubenya bi edi wo ho papa na ne san ye fe wo ho ne se awia bono ohyewa ba Ifs Hill Hotel se wo swimming pool a eson rana be gware wom na ye exercise ma ho ntumi ntow eba no conference room a wo bi wo ho e ho so papa san so na impa no so no ye wo queen size and king size wo ye seda na wo ho entow ne nyina no e wo Ifs Hill Hotel
akuapem yefa na hotel se wo
e wo late akuapem David Junction na sa wo hwehwe anwachi kwan dia obetimi afrɛ won e wo 0263466793 ana 0535015553 ne nyina no for reservation ana se enquiries bia no obetimi afrɛ won na nwa yɛ saa ama Ifs Hill Hotel, your hospitality is our concern.
Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company in Penny for say. And yes, cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubamadia do any trauma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Some person to call site a woodwork. Concrete product. And almost supply a war and near and for Bibi Piara who pebia or building site war. Kaiser almost so the into real estate development and so it would dino person open in Tempa. Offer Ofla Construction Limited Company. Wobejo so for any job Busmasi Capim, a monochrome capim, go for it. Asunje Junction was Sabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company wo from I was 055-295-7198 0594-635656 050-280-8992 and 027-90-12954. Woko social media handles in a Ofla Construction Limited Company once I erekomo Kaisa omuye free delivery baby I will be and phone ye be kwa ko jaw Tempara say nya Ofla dia and there you are not building Kayo say Ofla Construction Limited Company. Your property, our priority.
Me pa nene de mi adma mi skin say black spots G boss na me read den so aye basa we ja mi arewo any adwendwe kopem se me yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of products ma'am glutathione collagen component a ewum ni siesie honam no etiani na mani ye fesronko hydroquinone nim entiema na ha okra Gluta wide sebensia wamma me read aye fe ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia enkratwe FDA agiatu
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM ye doye tie foye pa ne senti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bi biara ene nnwumaku aworo se sɛ wo pɛ sɛ yɛbɔ nneɛma ho dero de ma wa yɛ krado bra na yɛ ne wo enidwa ana sɛ wo yɛ sɔfo na wo pɛ sɛ wo preachi ana safo na mo pɛ sɛ mo preachi a akonya ɛda wo bibi na atɔ ɛna wo pɛ sɛ yɛbɔ ho dero de ma wa akonya ɛda ho bra ana sɛ jingle ho sense productions na wo pɛ sɛ yɛ de ma wa akonya ɛwɔ hɔ ana wo yɛ show bi na wo pɛ sɛ yɛbɛfa no live ɛwɔ Command Radio so a akonya da hɔ sɛ yɛyɛ de ma wo ne hia ne sɛ wo bɛfrɛ yɛn ɛwɔ 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246875 or Command Radio ana Okriapemayano.
Command Radio 97.1.
All right, 97.1 and pay my anchor na yanko fa kebi ebiem na yembisa baby kebi edu na come tankers do me dey cause we okwa pray omboy enchiremu ne ekoso kebi isi abutu he
okay je see na ye wo manfe manfe gane so na obeka ya last year so na ye be report e wa say concerning ball na eben market na omusan etugu form no ehon ntina so obehwe Facebook ya dia zigi etume ede ato ohun say yes send me SPN na say ne krade enye kra ball no yes Zoom Lion for embe fakra enfi onom
ewo manfe sisi manfe ehon na mugire market wona mugire
me patcho wan
ehon na ball ya ma asenda kan mienu na sisi onom
yes mienu na si wani
na ya ma ehwe ball ni go form
ni bola ni na egu form
e wo manfe market
no na ohune sa no manfe market no so de iso pa
nipa edigwa wo ho ekoto ade wo ho no mekodi
nipa digwa wo ho ekoto ade wo ho no keche
no man be na yeti
nipa digwa ekoto ade me de hwe ha me se December 19th ya na yeto abafoforo edema assemblyman assemblyman or ho retaining no men kase eyi nanso no ese omo keka mo afi ne be so omo in there ba we ye I go we
na ade esi wono ma se kiosk bi si enimi toilet ana se dey obi fie
dan omatum yedu ono omatum ntina mentime nya mbisa se
but that's a man for fear around ana
ama go fear around no sha we talk e fear we anima je say kejre I saw ama for fear around pana ben phone to me enke come ho even me de ntimi shede twa hotel na we anim no tell obi hu say yes
I saw that
we anim na hotel kama
what's a flag CCC name nice hotel
very nice hotel so no Ghana near one
ana efi we nyina gu onom na ball naka na yema na egu form
ai keche
ana nipa twem ekodwom hokoto ade
nisi yedu aye twakro bi to ball ato ono nipa
kebi ho de amudu ho no obi ante ball naka ne ho
dabi obi anton obi anton biato na so okay che obi tin wanka enye se bole ya yesi okay che enye se bole ya yesi o matoa ma yesi ne e kom market na so market yi mun so enye anye papa biasa ha
sisi o mu gura na de akwa akobie market edwa na nkasem akogura no ho do na asese
Mese me na me kachiro de boy ka me na me kachiro
ande manfe mpanifo esese o mutu ana nya na nanse ya na manfefo di wonom ohum festival
exactly
ana nti mpanifo a manfe so tra hono makro ni mu yesi bola yesi adwom ho yesi
enye se diagro ba ye be sin a issue ye be make sure say painful ebe sorry e was issue we so say emfata ekuapema emfata manfikuru
time
it you be make sure we train na ka swearing in na much was said that 6 February you know ebe baso we will hold the assemblymen accountable and they too hold the respective leaders accountable for this situation keche. All
right. So Saturday woman for there me time kra nti wo de yenda mo ase na mo fa mo ni nkyere baby foforo na yenhwe na se manfi dwompa na bola esi wonom enaka mienu ayema enaka mienu ayema ema tigu from say ma nipa twamu pa ho akodi dwasan kofie madals this facility esi wonom dia na ndie before you asembo ne po we have a long way to go. We have a long way to go. And pay my fa unko Yefco Ventures. Makacho say Yefco Ventures there. And no maybe a boa me yedi dan upe bi o ha ubenye bi. Manfe na Yefco Ventures ewo. Nti yakọ manfi nko ade ma me bonra Yefco Ventures. Ope building equipment. Bit is materials be wheelbarrow, ne shovel, ne head pans and spirit level. Open na doa screwdrivers, measuring tips ni bibia boa ma dance e kontemu a. Ubenye bi ewo Yefco Ventures. And on that china, we sit down in the no. Oh, kitchen, and your mouth the best is a kitchen, honum near the now, one more bear for the for modern ones. Oh, honum, nibble near for four. Sana o toilet one monster sono. Ube nya bribia o pebi attack of basins and stand, basin tabs, tea roll holders, shower arms, soap dish, telephone shower, and then your man a dorsal fair, a born in soda form. And just some says, oh, can I call Todoa? Ye di gukamu. Ade ko bibia wo de ko ede maw ope paint ope tap and time ope tennis ope door locks ope everything e boa ma dansi wie peye no Yefco Ventures e wo bi ho no mo a onsabe kan bi e boa no so ye fofofo makacho say Yefco Ventures e ya carpenter fo adamfo e ya plumber fo adamfo e ya mason fo adamfo anonti frɛ won na wo ye carpenter yi na akoto ade ho we mason no kwoto ade honom we plumber na kwoto ade honom a unya discount kakra free wo nche na wenye sika kakra de egu bottom anti frɛ 0277 863 179 0277 86 31 79 0277 86 31 79 and I say 0244 18 53 88 0244 18 53 88 0244 18 53 88 na kokoje de Santu Block Factory e hona mede ko ye ko Santu Block Factory honum makati the honum na ope the original standard height e 9 inch na ubenye bi when it come to blocks about no 5 inch honum ope solid na holo ubenye bi ope 6 inch block solid na holo ubenye bi ope cement papa super cement 32.R 42.R ubenye bi honum black and red ni na bi honum kama and if we ni kire mu Santu Block Factory a we kropon equiapem eben hostel junction and afre 0244 622 164 0244 622 124 ye wiani se beko Eve's Hills Hotel for all your outdoor programs. Obetimi akwaje hono makwaye. Owo a nice conference room, conference hall. Chese obetimi akwa conference bia opese we bia no. Chese obetimi akwaje ho be it oni wadwuma ye for ana say ye conference any type of conference opese we gather organize wo no obetimi akwaje hono na waye e wo hono. Eno enanchen no. Wonom e wo nice place. A very nice hotel. Rooms, Papa SSC Mupa. Air conditioning, bon, frada. We use free Wi-Fi, free parking, room service. We said them see medi or to or mumbrami or to medi you ma mumbrami you ma medi fufuni menkwang. They will bring it. Not to say BBA koso. If you want to take the wapo mukakra na obes remia. Ebi o honoma. Obetumi akoto nsu emu twon. Na to say wonso so no o swemia anisa. Me pacha frɛ Eve's Hills Hotel on 05035986665 05035986665 na only Eve's Hills Hotel for Enkasa. And now me can say me chira say nipa uti wi ase na se sika ni ubotomu aya na wase mo pa masa sika hu hia o sika tumi ma utumi da na dwo be ye 1 ebobo be ye 2 na we so ato
atafrija hu se bible kura kan se yemfa nsapan ma nyankopon fie nyankopon ka se ni se sika hu hia hu se Ecclesiastes chapter 6 verse number 7. Osi nipa bro brain no brema na no. Enti no sika hu hia. Then not better duane akwa no. Man shall not live by bread alone. Bread is if not bread alone, Ghana can this kind of
this kind of to.
Inti maka chen crofo say empire eye but no quiet.
Empire boy but no quiet. You bon pie na wakodo quiet. Now the one ho den. Now the unyansa na dua. Now the unyansa egugu so. Now Yakopon ama na ba. Nti o hira yansa no nnwuma.
Mo se Yakopon ni nyansa mu no se oboase na gold wo. So do boase gold no ngugu kro nim. Wo the pickers betu. Ansa na wakoto gold. Sika ne de wo. Na wase ye hu adwuma. Nti no sika de ye wo mo nya bi ne hu ye mobo.
Anapema yanko Heed Microcredit Enterprise. Ejumeko yi boa ye nanom ne ye jademo mu didwa no. O ye business person. O pese o didwa kakra o hia besia kakra na o de aboa o de ahye o de aka odwetre ho.
Dafrija won se ka manage ho nya ne metimu yi scooper keto kwa me parent mi bodin no ka kiti
scooper
na manage ho na makonya ba ko mo 600 million.
O say
almost 600 million. 60,000 Ghana cedi. Na mesika no so ye 2,000. Sika mo nyina Mr. me famu nyina Dafrija 2,000.
No we do asare.
And the boy.
So
wo kwancha.
So for say nyame 2,000.
So say nyame ti ase.
And then turn ya wutimi na pa bi so so.
Say me nante from pass there. Dafrija. Davi. Enti omu mmobo. Don't fan so mama.
Heed Microcredit for. Na say we dey ma we ye besia.
And I'm simple omo be ma besia.
One interest na e wo form. And one more they flexible so. Tutua ne kakran sa obi a wo pesika bia. But hana ma hu so man say obi a wo pesika dia kotoka. Om say nia o pesika dia didwa. Odi aye business. Woka.
Dafrija no kwase mo mu say. Me no sa aka no meto a Frezing kwa me kwa sorry na matam baburu na tum baburu no kwa me city ba ko anonto wa yire wo ba bi osie collection bo ba bi osie na makasa metim enu na mba be ye ntino enya ade a me kwa ko gisika akotoka na ya mame ise gbetua nsi ho ne ade but wo mo epebi no wo mo nyi na mo nsi ho no ya
sanitation issue.
So for the microphone na ka bibi.
All right. Dafrija say near report a few months by it has to do with sanitation. No interest kakra ho.
Okay.
Na and it say me have me nso say senior reports na by market in Chempe a few ho near de na yen anka say na generate ball na ball anu so ayesa but me person ke be biem kakra isan say sanitation issues yi ejina nipaku be miensa and nice so community ni key. I mean, how do we organize ourselves na ya dampi inrei na assembly no so krono eshenensa no the sanitation department no enso ewa sudi
samai for na bi wo hobiem
afi na eba
because sanitation department no we one of their responsibilities but by stretching it no Zoom Lion ewa responsibility because I am main as I say Zoom Lion be cut container
echo
sisi a Zoom Lion en cut no mestre say and I like it the way Okoman Kasa, ye sha hunidie e baby no. Sa ye follow through with all those entities no. We should find out from Zoom Lion. Why is it that Bola no ayema kusiho be abisi ne na ayema na enkoko ni ade di Bola egu fam na e ho nso ye marketer e kudidwa ho. Enu anope mete report bi one of is it dengue fever or whatever. As am ne ho so or Ghana. Na ehunsun so na is serious. Say na eba here with the COVID until we need to be careful with sanitation. We need to be extremely careful. But the boy me pacho me pese report here by kroma for no ye wasudi. I mean we need to check. But then assembly, what's assembly doing? What is the Zoom Lion? Because we check you know. Na
okay, meba. Ye be say abaso ebie. Mayenko na enike brawe enkasa. Yes, Kebi.
Kechi.
Yeah, onam he Mandela.
This year, no, Mabedu Mandela, only say, bear, Nanseni, yes, to be a concerning a toilet now. Our honey assemblyman in Saint Semno. It's in my to an amount, Kwame Imperi, to meet to an amount, every do I say, you be some market 2024 say. A day any situation on grounds, and as I say, and maybe no, yes, I'm free, assemblyman, I will honor now. But it's the enemy say, a year, Nipana not say toilet, none that I know. And yadi are consistent, and no bando no, it's now new or you know, or no,
say yes, no,
buy no bien ho.
Yes, now, or your student. And time or the course could don't mean find better toilet nano.
Okay. You know, menya mame ba who are here. Menen bet you train come on. Menya nintia so say, honorable assemblyman Odi Fufruya, no, they now Odi, no, now this thing a pepe and ordini nipa, a better toilet nano. You know, that no, a bad toilet nano, no before for Eho, and I also know. Say or pass him in any or baby
new law.
Yes, new law. Mommy, and you want mommy more about the Bokman radio. Yeah, me pato your first thing.
A friend of Quack,
okay, a friend Sisi Quack, you know, or no so Mandela market happy now, whatever high papa, Tina Macha Bena, and any go. Me pato na a any issue I wore a year mortality.
Oh, maybe near minimum, Miss I am a coso. Now, assemblyman did down and no was so. At the Benani Nipana, or yes, you man. One man, Nankasa, then a whole year. Okay. And Nankasa, then a whole so, or ye dino, and the chain or by Muna, or ye nipas or no, or ye for free nor did buy you. When Nankasa or then a whole buy you minimum, with your father, the chain no was so. In James, or ye buy no Benwin and no down of one casta.
Yeah, in say, no, was so that or no, a student or go school.
I have gained a student in this one man. I tell me, man, Uncle Son or better now.
Oh, okay. Educate you or Suma, I say, girl, need your students, no correct. But one bar, honorable assemblyman, and no, was so that no. On one casa, and I have
Mr. Mamma Quaquan, Quaquan, non tray, Muse. Ni obetena so ni ontena so no de nka but e honom no tesen sisi e what esiesie no so no eye neat wo mo kwa mo ho akoma to mo yem biribia da na kwa mu ana say they have some challenges
and me the mentere e say me the me ko toilet ya madam
I take it say na
but sisi betimi a kire sisi kwa kwa se okoso nti okoso e so no tesen
oh me the minya baby tenant me the name mam.
Odi eye ma o.
Say that me fa sabe. Me fa toilet ni su nyina nkohwe senia ete. Baby ku ya me manya metana yo.
Anti baby ku ade bia wo kwa otra na hwa na bere bia wo kwa wotna.
Me kwa wo hwa na metana.
And the sisi kwa akon ato honum. I register her. Okay.
Education was my ba you can echo a honum echo say the way a honum is na Miss Macase it's not that bad but hono kaka can hear 1 or 2 touches be nothing no it me ejina so kama send your send e fata it's no send your situation at our grounds no sana jadi phobia no so I can say that no opera so a door so near na no ankasa honorable assemblyman ankasa no but me wo question ba question me bisa mommy so say ochi opera any adin na adin na mututia no
oh anya say ya nimu no de ya to ma no nti dia na weni ya nimu say o ya so ma na dia na weni
educate sisi kwa kwanza say nsaba ko ntumi mani ndi ntino omo munim say adwuma say no oye no ade a omutumi eto de ma honorable nanso no then you could see a honorable worry honorable ntumi outside alpha educate and any situation was here yedema etifo.
All right. If that is the situation and the condition, I believe we say whatever the cases ya ye nipa na kasa nso say ye kɔ ejanan bia hɔ no ma na di kan say ye nso yetumi hwɛ na ye di ye huni ɛwɔ hɔ say conditioner ye kɔto say the hospital ye kama no ye maintain hɔ no mo sa na efinso ye nya wo bia permanently obe hɔ no mo no so betimi ahwɛ hɔ no ɛde ama yɛn a enko ye say ende obekɔ no na ɛhɔ ɛyɛ ade bɛkye obekɔ na ɛhɔ no basa enti kebi
keke enne kra no ye ba ate no ne ote anu no eni ano na one thing me noticing so ye ka pampan na say yi no so no ebo e de ba market for side in so nya dia
ho ba market no market ho na ye to ade me na me to ade o si amejai ade to ho me to ade o ho biem because once na efi honom na say pampan stanchi eba the stanchi itself it's bad. Looking at its health implications so nya de ebeboa anti one more who bribia the new assemblyman or can say ebi obeka say yenso ani in but we could two nipa o teso da ne de nipa akọ anti ene de wase de say wo hwe say bribia beko so kama honom
you know catchy you be make sure say no so no paying for necessary people no betumi ahwe na mama to enyama ye e fan say we kopon say eka ekopon and it's not hygienic enya de fata okwape mai so see to it every situation na wa hanya no betumi aye solve na be bia so aye kama no okwape mai it na fa into mapa efra me dey edike brown high Okuman radio Okuman TV ya kamo e wa anso.
All right, Kebi, you better was na yada nana Kwame Perry the finest so as you say mwetu ana mona ma ene sha ede amaye so for dia sha na wo kasa
yeah Otabridge that make say ahunidie de ya de a esese sum obi abo na minim say baby a report if you buy any market ho just say ensoni but again equipem Yenkronkri say if we begin to own our towns, na say ye ma ye kro no mpuntuo no enye ahemfo na say yipe wo ye nyankasa temamufo no ye ma ye ni ko ho say pese ye kro mo na obi a betwam wo ha na ni so a we have a role to play. But I was saying say bola na ego ho no yes yen de ye be pra mo de bedo container na bisi yo ye fi ho a ya kate ye de call dam site ye dia ba no ye expect say as I say a follow through it had intina ye me fa bola no zoom lion as said ye misa zoom lions adenti e na bola no guzus go a omo me fa na fa ye follow through na se be wo ho a ye
okay yeah
now bisa nsama no unze to da bia ye kan sim bi ho no na mpanyifo bi ate opanyi bi ho mo pese be bo ni din ye rodan botwe yenya Okre district no o say ahunidie hu hia nti opani pa 13 eco school of hygiene aw otuam obi 3000 cedis ka obo bakofo bia ho ye de omoko keke school fees ne mai ne nipa saa nipa 13 no mu wi a mba besom Okre for a number of years na me refi kakra me verify na mama aso ate okodu kro mo say nana obayi na mede na eko oba wa besom owie no omaye community league on sanitation community di first omo first one no ye prede omo to bucket ekwesi brono nti wo ye fina fa betum wo ye fina fa betum nti e besere wo ye bayi ni dwaso ne ade nyina no ye mpe kwan bi e be fa so a ye be solve problem no me just akoma betimi adi enim kan ne anka yenye town to town league cleanliness yenhwe na ye name and shame senior ahemfo ne asofo ne asem members omo kwadwamu a hwe ne senior mu sisi mo fa hwe ne megu na nanu kom ne ade na obekwadwamu be wie na ba bia woto aduane die ko mu hwe ne ho senior ho no mo etie nani pass sene na osofo Frank eka no nani pass da so tewo media sometimes they be amakasa asem say Nyankopon aye me bia me da nase na mu say Nyankopon aye me bibini tam bi betena Africa anu na ye hyeme no hyeme we should we you ni party wo hwe baller hwe fi uko
you do what is right.
Good. Obibi na kwa tukwankwa abrochie na mitimi nua bi officer Africa ba obeba ha only kasa kakra bi aye ho e uko South Africa no wadi 37 years uko di 2 years o se ye ho uko di 2 years for South Africa o se ukasa o se ye ho meanwhile uko school nyina wie o ha
our paper there
paper so oni nyina bi
paper there so I citizen
what you say na how what there janka na the papers ni ha enti utimi ye bibia pe ha no agya ha no mko
but Otafrija
enti wuni na also for bajo me ba say na also for if you don't own it ana Ghana no we wa say be onu Ghana no yes we too no we say
the laws are not working
uni na fla aginsem me say uni no
menim pa
wana betu akwa shi ansam fun we mimi nda no pa na nankasa kuradua esesa fam o mahin nankasa kuradua esesa fam obetu akwa godun pure water ato ha
ontimi
eji ade to bia na eni entumi nyebi na project sembe bi obi Michelle first time wo e pray the hini 25th anniversary ase o se me metra se 9 o'clock me sorry 2:30 about 8:30 na wa ba betra se about 2 o se MC bra aka 30 minutes ma be sorry me close remarks 2-3 o'clock na sorry aha no ye be bodwa ise ni pa nyina trans wiasa na ohene aba semba betram ahemfo bebre ni wonu ma na nse na ahemfo ye ne om na tie fia ye obere no hene tenkran otikumase otikofodua mfa no ho fia ye emfo hene bia ho mfa chami bia ho yetim na bia me ka say you can ho asofo eya na me ka me yom film ko asofo ba wacha 4 years obeko transfer insofo beko ye yetim timemfo no ede na ye fa ho enti ehu me babia omko sesi e ho na metie kuku ase toilet ne bon from man papa no me ho na egu toilet ne from man ebo papa no sabi enipa no be yes Christian na the removal of waste metabolic substance from the body cell na sabi wo be ne ne no enframa no eba me ne me yere ne me maso wase ho
what around
me tie ase ho no mo na me tie oh etiti woni ye sa ni ma we ananya hwekura na ma ase to nam wo ho ye koto nam no a enkwan no said nam na eye me po nwumra makotra ho heading typhoid che say what the bean typhoid e che say what the bean eti ya hwe ya typhoid ni tie de ebewu ye sempanyifo from nansisi from na ye hwani ni ya huni na o mighty as man ni nkuro yi enfant mapa ni frota Africa okoma mo ya de okoma tankase ya panyin bi o ekropo wase program na neje ho an okoma tankase no eti be sere na nanu mpanyifo na ye ukudai omu ntie topic we no mu fam nansi fam na okoma tankase no omu mpanyifo kan fa sika mewuram edu kwada nko a omu fili okoma ye ka na ye de ko no omu fili tank ne maye omu maye gross
omu nye nya de omu beye won be yanka omu aye
me for say senior okay but there's always
there's
always a start say senior ye kan mpanimfo 8 because who here there's a cleanliness is next
yes to godliness
inti say anye bia no but the way okasem bi eya na ha me nim na me gitum na mahu enso say say ye kan senior ye kan no civilization nothing bia ye kan the first point of call you be reference a bibi memu na sa mre no hwe senia ye nkrunkro ye lane out na ekwan ni ade dam na ahonidie wo mu a na chese bro adwene ntiase so menyi ni se Jankopon boy en fefefe ene tene etie se before black people na ama nya ye all because sisi ano generation ya ba all this one so and also we don't appreciate who we are. So would you who dis me ye kwapim ni me ye bibini Ghana ni a me Jimmy who di me sombo I'm nice, I look beautiful, I look handsome. It should reflect on the environment.
And then I say nra so for team area ho no mo obi akoyi baller no de akoto owura afro dan na chi What send all kinds of Zoom lion from them near them. Me, I don't believe in say, would you know be all chance in my mouth? Sada Zoom lion now, me, you see, no, Miss Macqua Jessica, Samina Pressino. Oh, Miss Obico, ye baller, or some for a team more. We or got your ball and you and about to run up. No, go to a pass from Muhonomo, and of almost open national. Because,
but boy, baby, there's a waste management system. And there's a way of creating jobs. So it's an entrepreneur.
It's when you ball and Uncle Joe be there.
No, a honor no say for Kuku baby see do go. Would you go gua? A Jumaqua, what we're seeing, I mean, what didn't we see was about the fat ball and a corner. As of far. Nankane pepper more, we should have a mechanized. As of
when Zoom lion, say no. So what you Juma the share a cratch for once as our neighbor. A Juma. So the share cratch for once, Oma Co University. What's there? Oh, Nimushi, light here, you do me, light here, do me. Cratching in now, I go to Yanwadiano or office, and a crew to Nina Sabi, one could school, go to your Quanjan, or no Frudiano, and you're the negative this year. Or light in it, me pejana shoot SUTV. Catching no, you invest in or not to them. Zoom lion ye, more was a Muni Munyansano, one way Nimunyansa woman, one with to them. A crew to one money a chum kaka crabby. What is here? One more. One more sabi, assessor sabi, Nyambra Nemaniano. You tell Antino or fuck creature say, hey, you're one of the good bottom, take purpose or you know one yet.
But is it?
Okay.
With just a quick one. Sana a reality. I mean, a Juma Bia no ya wo fitiase ekusi esro. Inti yenya ye ngurano. E dey say yenya sa etrimu
policy. No say.
Eni say ade na ma ye ngura.
Na me kan no bi na be prama me.
No. But me ye na me kuku bebi ase.
Na prama de.
Na say Zoom lion no ba be fa on time. E dey akọ no de kwa ya sort I did not broach na ye kan e ye adwuma o why
and am see abrochire no Ghana for na ekọ no Otafrija mo kwa na ye say what that do unim ye ha no mo Otafrija hwe te senia da no ye kan say obi akum obi ye sign hangere ne ade ne se bi nye sa ade no na Otafrija obi aye fi senia ye kan e de akogo obi na echi ya che no ya bo ne ma be say 60 obi nye bio anya de obi be ye bio obi aye fi ye jeli no
what I am saying
2-3 years ono apra ti Otafrija
emra no afeni se but emra ne nka
opra krum obi ojodi obi abi na ha no wodi bone na ye ntwe asunti
no but they are lost so over assembly
that be lost no e wo ho but to me
yes and it doesn't bite that hard because it be wo ho you do call sanitation court near final I mean call Frederias here there are people are finding them I be crowd according to the law maybe or you can be sentenced crowd for
as for men sentence so say what go free ball go tell you because free ball go papa from da echi na ma apra efiti your junction hey apra before come ha police for the wachi apra ka di wachi kra na wakọ dem ade echi an apra be say 1 month you na so be ye bi na say won so nye nipa you now be fin bi
all right D-boy me da say Savo Frank do me da say hit micro credit to say wow pesika e dey edija no fresh 0244 977 210 0244 977 210 o pesika e dey ewura business im o pesika kakra besia kakra hit micro credit enterprise wonu mbebo wonu mu ne akire bia mu ekropon oku apema junction ho na wonu mo ofre wonu 0244 977-210 and 0544-623-773 one ebeje so 0544-623-773 Heed microfinance for ebeje so na one aboa ebiem omse omo airport workers mbebunu omo per workers mbebunu mobile for anti yesremo say oba no we school otifie resource ne maye bia resource kra bad but enye this year ontumi nko school obekọ next year obechro bibia for Heed micro credit for mbema oba na adwuma ye at least at the end of the month no so benya kakra dia to the bottom Loma Vista IPS tons afro se fa oba ne bra na on be register na on chro na wachron of deck no bebre wasi wachra untwa courses ni nyina no Loma Vista IPS for a year bi wonom ewo Manfe Ekuapem adjacent the Manfe police station and Alfred 0240 206368 0240 206368 wonom beje so but me so Alfred 0246 246875 0246 246875 now only Loma Vista IPS for Akasa. Maybe a kind at one mama announce what Freya Remu be Umpotem Abron so Ukrumo a fin then of course where you got him a baller and a Janabia Obefriend Yedin come more on 055-166-7755 055-166-7755 055-166-7755 and I say 0270-1971. The wisdom was your Akuma Radio. The real tanker should be at the front gutter of your premises. Please, this place stinks and really unhealthy. In as much as I'm bringing your attention to this, does not mean that you guys are not doing a great job. All the best. Thank you. I'm Ponsa Gladys sending this one. Hi, good morning. I'm watching you live from Enyinem Mosiaso Eastern Region, the youngest female CEO of Junior Ama Football Club. And to you, Nana Kwabina Sechi the first says, good morning, Mr. Host. I'm waiting to see you guys tomorrow. God willing, let's see what happens. Nana Kwabina Sechi the first. Get your busumasi phone na. Adape frana yanko. Brown no so to say, ukrom hot to say, umpotem hot to say. Efi minimo. Janabi ahonye. Gates ni moya basa. Okay, 055-166-7755. Yeah, you report it. Betwa na mo ba behwe. Ye beba. Anti efi bi mini obi wo baby a frena maya so ente. Efi bi koso. Gate bi mu asi. Ebinum yen wura basa bi mu kura se bi otafra te jaw mo nan na omo epeja na omo atu a chene baby a. Me pa cho ma yente won. We will do a follow up. We will come. We will investigate. We will make sure that those in authority, those who are mandated to do that and to bring to pass for the purpose of which they are called. No, I want to make you a sending your fata. 055-166-7755 055-166-7755 and 0270-1971. My complaints in the year, me nim ba much let me a beba ba behwe 055-166-7755 0270-1971. And now you're Okuma Tanka. I didn't more issues to be on mo potem mo bron so mo krom e fi menemo and Buddha. Near Hammer crowd say, Come on, what to me who will be now? What Giasas and assassinate the Honas assassin swifu. Now we walk Musa, for that chance. I will want qua and assassin go one more mundo so one more year now snakes. What if you are not what brave Raufi? Be my watching. Oh, Hanama, Obashana, or what Eddie Apotrobiachi, without gate as an hour befi. What is this? Simply because Obia Jibebia on one Casasi assassin and Edio, but with Janame, what me fool. And in Bramon shouldn't be so. When we enough for Mwedi.
So, me Kansas one say, it's an institutional thing. It is a word for when I say, honor funo.
It's an institutional thing. Yes.
Next institutions no should be up and doing. But you me a boy a come. Because so any year we are my one
kasa.
I didn't nsuo to. Now why your baller me call beam. Now what chain na nsuo no better no se da koto gatem. Say nsuo no ntwene ko. Nsuo na twene akwan. E ba ko block gata no. Nsuo to a e be flood e ba be raw fie. Adom the day no bi bewu. Inti yan kasa yenye ni yie. Wan kasa dwen ho na ka kire ho se me ye ni yie. Me ntu baller ni ngo ha. Se container ni hwa ye de be ya. The various institutions now more hana is so much no. Assembly, Zoom Lion sometimes they give. Traditional authority can also support. Yemfa means is baby. Na sane ma we na enkoso. Enye sa ye be ko ye be ba ye yan na be san e be affect ye. Nti ye ni ye a ye ma ye.
Tafrija. Ene Ghana nipa ko ye adwuma na katua ho kwa na odwene. Se bosum be so na echi aneka. Se obi deliver na o man nya mfa so e bi ni team.
A system na man
yeah.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Morning.
Odini bia free.
Sabro medication.
Hey, ma radio ni ko from kakra ma me why?
Me ni o no kura. Ke yen a me di bia na ngasa particular no. Yen na ngasa ya pata. Yen sheda ya pata nkasa. Kuruma ni ya pata terese. Ya fi sebi oni padese ni no tenasi o nsi didi o siesie so oye bibia na so kuruma no kwofia tokuru da wo kura no se me de mekwa agu nchen nti yen kuruma na nkata ya pata bora ye kofa nye bia kogugu kwanso ne ade den na ya nti oni padese ni no ndio ye adwuma ono dio mre ana ono dio nye nipa nti kuruma na ye se mpanyin fo wo kuruma wo bode wura nkata no wo sheda tire nipa na wo jai ka ne man na kurumani ya pataro.
Okay. Me da say onyame nshira onso betimi afre na onso de wadwena ba. Yes, yen da say wisdom. Me say odi biribi baye but no me mfa fide so nka kira say ni awote no emfiri yen ye ha yen na ye but wo mo ton nyoma na em say yakasa ho say no mo de nyoma efi kankan ni nyoma egumu nti eba na bechoku a ene na ema na yesa nti wada roma ye da say watwe adwena esi so but pese wo ma wote ase say enye yen na efiri yen chen nyame nshira. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Atafrija.
Yes, sir.
Where you shoemaker team of Atafrija Kopara Johnson.
Wonderful shoemaker team.
Yo, number team, the boy has a mark and the Toswa. A particular boy, dear, Australia border, boy, 20. To go born on the Siena, all found, no good Jersey Queen. And not to say there's some more frank to one. Without bunker jeans or on to me. The also the ball are sharp for the baby and Jersey. Now, first, cramp, your tankers or what is just a tankers that no beer democracy. I think that's hard to know what a woman I saying the beam. And my boy, the tankers we should go to the shows or that I didn't lose, you know, I should say, a woman or a better. I'm not going to that's why you job with your resume line of voice with some paying for show and go to you. Then when you're a guy. Until you know, because what is a ball of Wolfie? I mean, you know, what I could be dang it. Oh, I wish
all right. May I say, my uncle Fanny Pafofro and so I so yellow good morning. 055-166-7755. Yes, hello, good morning.
Good morning. We Otafuja original wala tekubase na not Afuja na nobre waduni.
Na no bre wado. Makacha se na ubetwe gwan o. Original Otafuja na tie. Nana Walker.
Me pacha ugwane de mecho na mo sebe ye.
Nana went to buy the crowd. Yes, I will on Tiao Jofa Bro Biado.
Now, wouldn't say, when you're both now, so for a dose of Mangua, Obi, say, I may I'm original and shall not say, I may Dino and son. Now, no way, or Tapuja Junior, can a son effect.
Sir.
What me and the sack, I'll eat Fiao come on me.
My brother, you found Biada.
Brother, I said, that was with the man on a day, Papa B. How will you say?
Mate. Obiayade.
Otafijano, Obian Granny. Obian Granny. Obian Granny. Obian Granny. Ukraudi. Nanansun Granny. Nanaka say you are making assembly.
Okay. Nana my you.
Okay, I do when you read that you just say competition and be really about Fadino. That's all.
Yo, Martina.
You, Macra, I say, Brana Yaku school. Now you will be a patriotic song. Sad, no, you catch the one that says, whom will soon be Abbe Show. Between the Macra, Samin Musu, Namin baby, I met to Robert the Touchna. Na eka me koma se meja de ato baby keke mera obi a hye me se wuja to a enye yiwu no ema e kire me se me do me man sa nyum da mota koma fo mota yusu anopa eni ade pa pato sound enye adwuma bi mo e wo skusu mu eti nkola no okitanwuri akwa no wajawa de ato ho kire se obabi a okohwie ade na guo gota ni mu no otimi pa se baby o de o to ho na ta zimu na yo fo ba beye oni akoma so ni apada ye mu bia enka ne koma enka na hwe nti o ma no do na kasa preside no eye fiye mu e fifi school ifiti afe nti ebe ya ga sama so kwen o fa so de kire yen sa ni ama na e kan yen koma no ebe ya ye sa ko fa mba na ya ko fa ma de bedu bebi no kese obi gina bonti no ore ye ni enye kura se beye na wo kan so ya e wada pa obeje de na wa wosha obi ko etu bi sa se da de be ja to na ho oda ho na wo ye odem
yeah
so aka chiro pe ni photo o ka na ko ye gwachi bi din nti ebe ya ye fi ase enchire mfi mo frase na se ye chire wa na odi enyi wo se dua ti we esu a ene etumi di sumo aturi na ya kase se onya na so dum kakaka odi sumo kuntunwa eyeye Madam, I say, you're probably not out of your to Jagana. Don't know for me. So you did your card and patch away with me. Why shall I get to an Saranka?
Piao, Nana Bro, Ado, you call at 10 year coding combo, yeah, that's say. Casma Bayer and song, naturally say, ye peja ye mo, what you be there, Conya. So come on, Cassan, now to pay. O area. Umpotem honomono, mi refi can be sana no Bro, Ado say, latte. Ete se esi ball e bi wo honom ete se bipo menim na dibo na ka se nana ka se wi
obeka see nana obi anfa ne din no o Otafrija no o fa nana nanso de no onfa Kwame Mpere na em friend the finest oba na friend no okwapehene nana na sabre na ekropon ne okrene na emu na hoyi na radio station ni wura osise Kwame Mpere ankozesa ne din na yin infiwa na kwa mekofa the finest and sisi ya bepi eye ukwape ni sasa asiso nti sisi ya sa finest na na se yekura mu sa to obi ankura ne din obi ankura ne din obi ankura ne din Otafrija no crowd de no ono so ankura ne de no and obi asesa ne din sisi nim ne efia no ma nim fa ko aye ko da achi bi obi asesa obi adin na kwa bibi nti ka anka nenka okwape ni transan okwape na otene na so na ni ebedi nti ese yesesa obi anse obi edi ebeda Otafrija number 1 ase Otafrija number 2 obi enkura ni din no a din ne enko yenim 2 se ye ahinnie ekura dom nti dom na ewo na nanom achi no omo hwe se ahunidi a ye kan betwen ya adwuma unu se na ka asembi akwantu ma abedu baby a yadue oni obi kasa na aka kire se fe o se itimi de chance nu eye bare mu na ese fi wo mu ne ade a o ma kwa aburuchire ba ya na ka say in America they don't do that man is America yes I want fa chance menu ade mu na be ka ha o say o mu tu kwan ba na mo na be kire yen say nigga O dia say America won't be back kruwa e ko no bi. And abeja yeso nei.
You see, I believe we say we haven't gotten there yet. Yendru baby.
The richest continent in the world is Africa. The poorest people. But
our attitude,
Italy. One more echo strike. Because of Nesi. One more fino. One more proper fino. One more strike. Because of Nesi. What they say? Yeah, best.
Abrochre one year and would have seen yen.
Yeah.
A country like these Scandinavian countries, almost 80% eat outside. One month did you fear to say yeah.
No, that will be done a came forever. Or then came yes.
Yes.
They come no any kind of the name. Ujaria no them.
Baby, obedu bi awo to be another. What I say? One month did wura. In wura kase pa, wura pa. In Wurapa, but I did not know who she will chromo. Well, by Yano,
Ninja who here before no, Yan Quapra, Yan a pressing. That be a pressing or hey, and a few queen.
I'm running here, Juma. Oh, dear boy. I didn't know it has got to do with our institution. Timer, President Obama, about Ghana. As I'm by no kind. We must strengthen the institutions.
Not strong, yeah.
So yes, I know, but the institutions are there, but they don't work.
At Africa, I thought there be a Nippon age, man. We can't make them soft food discuss Zoom lion quan and say to cup of sumi. Well, it's be a 2-3 days. Oh, yeah, you can hear 60 on the manual. Pain of day, non co. Minimum, sorry, be a brandy be a proper. I saw not talk my brandy. Over say a proper no be the agro. Oh, no, proper go. Kiss a crano. Obi sorry dying, obi we in Kunya. Ya toka de ama brantie no.
Zoom lion and some ye kana ma yedin because mi wo mu bi pa mi wo mu bi. I don't know per where I came from no. Almost every Saturday na me no mushia. Edin komo sebio doctor say we Japan akasa me ni shia. The head of communications, Mama Emma, Oba Emma, Aju Emma, or say, or Madame from Church Meninisia, we talk almost every 2 days. Yekasa, the deputy, Mama Emma, a deputy, you be a menene ben, Kurami Frimu, and to also ye dinko Morgan, Yura Morgan, Nenny dinko. But Osha, a quack subi because from the top, no, I get yes, as a one more year. Oh, but over the regions and districts and municipalities, they are failing to do what is right. You will be surprised, sir. My friends is here a report here. We are not aware. We don't know. They have reported everything is ongoing. Come on, but my question is, who supervises who? Who monitors? What you say? And a subi away a mompody. I say, when who's not go on board, be no sign. I don't even believe, say, me and go on a bomb.
Maybe I better than it.
No, maybe believe we say because somewhere do I say pow.
Now me 70 be one. Now me recently me members of the national me tears of when you be pa catch in place say we use kadia boss asori bad here mama onye bi da we use kadia nipa no the correction e ba no e bi ohia moa o se me nye bi da. No, but in what context?
No, the boy. In what context? A man one is saying watching.
Yes, that's what I'm watching. No. Mama, okay. So, I said, "Obeba, sorry." I saw the Obeba. Then we watch why more. I think was here we are the enemy. Back for recently.
No, but church, no the mind. It's answer.
Asofo, I saw you get the boss or the body. You can be anywhere. Send it to me announcement say. Consider mo ba mo fa mo tight no correction mrano sa na nipa no wo chine say timi bua no with no reason.
That is how it should be
and that is what it is.
Asofo yeah abroche you sorry be hono ma o mutimi gisika ka de brain wa
Africa
yeah mpanyifo gi some ko ye convention and conference
no
mo gisika no na we unu hu sa wote ya unu
sansem we no
so for you so Yakobon na boy before
me de Yakobon boy na ni giye no nim say we were the first creation. Onyankopon hu yan na ni je because we are close.
Na say de hu yan na we ho.
Na nia make can say me mom de I am so proud. Me GD say onyame ensa wo me so. Me GD say onyame ensa.
So for onyame ensa na e wo so no dia ya jitum. But in the year no
no the boy sisi e wo ha yi. Ene nkomo ayedi. Uye bibini waka wa ha say ensi da say ene ne ofre say obenum nsuo na ode beto fem papa na ofre no so
otafrija
oye bibini na okase oye bibini na okase uye bibini na okase minim say ekwan bi so no saa ne ma ye kan a na adenti because saa public toilet aye kan we are in the 21st century. When we go back into history, the days are US crano when they convert in Germany, as I was told, converted from public latrines into WC. Even in the States, states baby. Places
like Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, Venezuela, the South American, they are still using what they are using.
You were examples to follow. Now, the attitude, of course, your mindset, no, I BB.
And that is not your mindset, now your BB.
Esan say, because your course of journey, Yakopon boy and we were so powerful in the world. I mean, all civilizations from here. I'm making a point. Before, but we were unable to connect. Our genetic memory bank. We were unable to connect back to the greatness of ourselves, all because of your journey. Say fry, they look down on us. Na ema yen kan kono chiacha no and amani ekoyo. But the moment we begin to feel our presence, me, I'm a great guy, I'm a great African, I'm a great black guy. Let's do things right for ourselves. Consciousness ne bar. All these things will change.
Yeah, so for how
many years ni?
Me hun nipa. Na tedi anana obrewa dokan. Otafrija we didie wie penin totobi behwe wo bi nya akwalampo na we jeduane no park no wo de atokwe wanom nsuo no nam ho no de atokwe. Listen, I tell people say when you go to Korea, South Korea, and to some point to be to
hey. and Singapore,
hey,
you can never do that. And Argentina, me who say so I don't want to use a certain
Korea no ebrebi omo ampanyin no de atade opese ohye eba TV so afi we ye nyina atade we na ye hye with the style omo nyina agitum
no you otumi ye niti
so obi anyi we bi
I mean that is North Korea rather
that is North Korea
baby I think North Korea hono na omo fa phone ni ade akura ni agro no yeah now akwa so dem yes me nyi chingop obi ko piu na sese no na chingop no tara to say potholes I saw them. I saw in the church. Let's all.
So for until see, no, but
a BM sa chewing gum ne sana manuel. Hey, attitude now. So call Western world, the US, and they do all those things. But only say,
I am minimal.
The loss no. But tell me what I'm saying. Waste waste is a resource. Waste create jobs.
Yes.
Waste sika wom.
Yeah.
Sika wom.
Na sika wom come for my boss.
But Africa okoya you nyesi okoya. Onye ma.
Why but Matikra say recently I read about him say he's veering into another business.
Rice.
Rice. Obi or China.
Wabeji land will have 300 acres.
And where from the waste business in the say na se agitum. How we don't do separation and a plastic na earth and we are yet into say the now crab boom near the call dump site or near Cassie cut it to the final disposal site no a problem. Mean such example Kofridia the municipal dumping site Wakodum coin so
okay
originally can say a mechanized site into so near man ko machines or separating your man na a big grinding on that I say what is happening is you free be sledge into a home to dance no that whole baby into sledge in a 50 move because it's a mix a tantania now from into a fratness says na nsuo na eba no problem. But me say it is attitude. We
Papa's office say attitude, you know, and me miss because you're a black man is now black person is doing things right. What I say? He said Ghana, and Yakobu Juma, Kwame Nkrumah companies 400. Ya Tony, I mean, any pub, all kind of human being are we.
No, but
what do you say?
One nipa be
but Africa, who's not so for cancer? We are Saben or air cannon, Yanko Podi to me, Nama Bibino, a few one cool. Share Yanko Pombo Nipano, or in Ferro, or Trasia. Now, Oshaman will wear the picture no. Now, or Korea, Che Egun Hose, now or water than him, or Korea no chere powers in the skies, or the Ma Ferro Bibini, or one chere powers on the ground, or the Ma Ayo Bibini. What I say, and we need to Yanko so many who is that God? And Yanko said, "Won't try my bread."
Oh, but the pharaohs and the Egyptians had so many gods. They had Ra,
the
god of sun. They have god of fertility. They had so many. They have even the moon god.
The moon god. Yeah. It's Yanko said to me, "Nama nipa, obi bini, no bini to no one pe." You're jelly, you know, when am I brand new? I drink a diet, you know.
It's so painful. I mean, I share my sentiment. It's so painful. Now, sure, now you know perfectly what say. I am.
Yeah.
Oh, but
what does he?
No, if you visit
South Korea, have no other God before me. South Korea for no crown. India for us from Nigeria to me. I had the papa. I'm from Nigeria. I had the papa.
Yeah. No, go to India.
Mr. India for us from Nigeria. I had the papa. Oh, India near Bacho. Auto hibiscus flower. Hibiscus and hunsio. Oh, India near Otombi. Ghana. So for Kraton hibiscus and hunsio. Says I are. Almost from Nigeria. Yes, sir. This is hibiscus.
Because Christos.
You mean Yanko boy, Yadrin, where ye before the way ye ever got to baby. Say made the man want to me and fire.
I know they are
Maya, Maya, the continent. I had no idea to be here. Hannah Moses, a Begin and Titia, a Banacentina Yebre. Mr. Yakobo, I do not fear him, or they are going to baby.
Yakopon, on ye, dear, a young casa, it's attitude.
The richest continent in the world, the richest continent. Your diamond, your name it. Mr.
Magnesia,
canopy,
timber, lithium,
canopy idea ye na nyo bring na ye obibini na chance the madness of Egyptian sabu kuna wom bibi bia wo wi ase bia obibini no na obiri na ba betap no akọ unse ball ayebo ye se va ene na fe na bisa nipa wu a na tena ka mu ko no vokpo da na na sare ko kan mu se oboa ye se ko hwe nipa na yaku no vokpo ene obiri ni jawa no wa ye se me kwaba 2 seconds no akwa say penalty. We see, but Yakubu, you are not trying.
Okay, yeah, the USA.
Just a second.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Just a second.
Okay, carry on.
Can say Onyankopon Obibini.
Onyankopon waka. I see these people. I will let them suffer. I will Ezekiel. I see these people. How these people? Some of we.
No name for yen.
Yeah. No catch it. Nimrod. He's a black man. Ono see about the first man to build a tower. And also
Nimrod. Kemet.
Kush means a black man. Eto means black. Simon means black. Etine kubo Yesu asendu ano. Omuji asendu ano fi. Simon change ma. Yesu change ma Simon. Black person. Eba na senti before yebre. Nyakopo yi adwena fi etim. Me the quotation be bro. But these people, I'll let them suffer. The black people. Who's 50? Okay. Make a question.
I don't subscribe to say.
I before the new year saying I go river na mu. Pokokona FM no. Who say Nyakopo Israel for no. Edu baby na Pharaoh say go for him for na be som yen. No so ko chesi yen. Enti offer in the 54 countries.
Yes.
The money in Abu Ndi Padodo akwase ponim. Offer Krobia 4. Enyanza 4 no 4, Ghana 4, Togo 4, Egypt 4, Ivory Coast 4. Nyankopon se montwen mekama go ponim.
Faru before mu nyina wa.
Minna meka kira wo offer Krobia bi.
Book be na ya record ade we o.
O say the Bible say lack of knowledge my people perish. Nyankopon anka say that shall not true say. And that's a true with Pepsodent. O mani pa nyansa. Tipa mimi nyansa. I'm so medeka.
Yanko Panka said that shall not smoke ganja.
That
shall not smoke.
Yanko Panka said that shall wear shoe. But Nippon with a match shoe. No Nippon with shoe. What the name of the man for Kase? Yes, one man can V8 and Yanoko Susu Pongo, the 10 never V8. You have wisdom, no? It's abundance.
Oh, yes, you are on more. I'm going to V8 saying, your time you go back and V8.
Mr. Pongo 10 V8.
Oh, now when you study the history of Jericho, it was a fortified city with gates.
Pongo 10
Jericho,
and V8.
The walls back on. The wall back one now Charlotte 4 and the team fast. This sir.
Me okay.
D-boy question assume ya me.
Yeah, Jimmy na Jimmy no.
Someone nan come in person make no na wa.
Jimmy na Jimmy no. Jimmy no.
Before again, attitude we can go back into history.
Attitude. Me treating Jimmy.
Nyam person ka sa nsema ya kekanya.
Attitude ni treating
Jimmy.
It demoralizes us. Kayem I mean, we should take it as an energy. Not can fun 10 things around.
But the question, are we ready?
We should be African Cup we Nyombo Cameroon. Pobia. Last time boy, no Senegal win here. Only Obia one man stroke near the cup. Quacoman was raw. One to me, answer near Mo. Videos now, Munchaki. No, a European president Ben Abesa. On your stroke near Nabetan Park, so yeah, the cup command baby or two, one to me and Sanama, number of which are almost there. We answer. The youngest president in the world is here on 27 years. Or Bapu, Africa, young before young president 90. And then Mo Ibrahim Kayano. What the whole chair was say, young Trabama, you lead us to the promised land, to the grave or to the way.
No, but we are 27 years, not 75 or 65 or whatever. It not necessarily means 27 years should be wiser. We have
Mali, Burkina Faso, 34-year boy. Are you not going to you Muno?
There are some political.
And your political idea be only Nippon Brea, and then Ivory Coast 41, non-bank accounts that France.
No, and I'm saying,
what Ivory Coast? Who yes, car? This will go France. Now, that's your Libya.
French colonies, no French colonies. French colonies. That's what.
There be the I didn't need him. I didn't need to be woman.
Another topic for another time. You're from the kitchen request here, Abia Breco. As in, I can see encore. Emma, Buafonina, and our Korea, Bella B. Nana Kwame Perry, the finest, Ziggy B, DJ Donzi, Odamia McFadden, not forgetting KB. And open another Papa B on Yamisha. And obey as I can see uncle my D-boy. And of course, for Frankie Dua, sorry. Medicate request here, Pia Preco. Remember, I love you, and I'll continue to love you because I love you and I love you with the love of the Lord. Say Christ to Christ as Mujay, and I'm a DJ. Salamu alaikum.
Yamishira, Mamani Paya, the Foa, and Yanum. That's why Yamistroya, Jumana, Yami Beshayan, or Brian Boya, and Moyamurae, Abeya, Free Yanara, Amabaya, Free Yanara, Yanoma Pofo, I sit to Abeya, Free Yanara.
Okoma Radio 97.1.